guys, can you say something? So I'm just retesting the audios and also the do you guys need the video of mine? Hello? Video.
Yeah, I don't see anything you're sharing right now,
No,
but I
no,
can hear you
just
fine.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to
Ah,
start the sharing. Hey, Munir, how are you? Okay, you're sharing. So can you guys see the screen?
Yes, Shoaib, it's a chart. Yeah.
Okay, and
LC.
everybody can listen me. The voice is clear.
Yes, it's
yes.
clear.
Okay, that's great. So Moni, I didn't log in through the credentials. I'm just logging through the link which you sent to me. So everything is towards you. So you can just
Okay.
open for everyone because last time you remember, I think you were very disturbed because people were coming and trying
Yeah,
to
don't.
get inside.
So
So
it's
just
it's
open for
open.
anyone. Yeah, no issue.
Okay.
So where is my video? Can you see me or no?
No, Shoaib, your
Okay,
video is
but
on.
I think you guys don't want to see me. If I'm not wrong. So- okay,
I
so
can
who
see the
is?
chart.
Yeah, this is the chart only. Okay, so okay, so should we wait for 5 more minutes so everyone should be here? So then we can start. I think we can give some time, and I can check. I think 2 or 3 people are not here. I can't see them, so I can call them. So at least they should be here with us.
Okay.
Okay, PT Harvinder is here. Okay, Mani Java is here.
She was here since 12:30. She's the first one.
Oh, Harvinder. How are you, Harvinder?
Hello, hi, Swarbai. How are you?
I'm good, Harvinder. How are you? I have heard miss a lot about you, but it's the first time I'm just talking with you.
I know because the last time my computer screwed up.
Oh, yeah, you
Yeah, I
told me.
wasn't able to log in, and finally I logged in. Then I was kicked out 3 times out of the meeting.
No, no, no. Hopefully today nobody will be out because
No, because I think it was I don't know, it was a technical issue or whatever.
okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. And who
So
is Sayed?
I'm so thankful you're doing it again. I appreciate that.
No, no, thank you. Just I need the prayers. That's all. I don't need anything. Okay,
Okay,
just pray
then
for
we'll
me.
praise you every day then.
Yeah. Okay, so Munir Haris is not here because last time you remember that Haris told that I'm not able to
Yes.
attend. Should I
I
check
have
him?
sent a message in a group. Yeah, I am just calling him.
Are you calling or can I call him?
I just I'm just calling him.
Okay, and who is Sayyid?
Assalamualaikum, Said Shah bhai.
Walaikum salam. Who is there? Sayyid Zaman?
Said from Edmonton.
Oh, Sayyid Atif Hussain.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, how are you, Sayyid bhai?
Yes, fine. How are you?
Good, good, good. And
Hello,
Steve is there.
Steve.
Steve, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good, brother. I'm good. Really sorry, last time I didn't able to record the training session, so that's why you guys are bothered today again. Sorry from my end, from everyone.
Oh, you're not bothering us.
No, it will be also good for you. So in the at least If you have any questions since the last training session, because you guys attended the training, so at least I need some questions. So a lot of questions I need. I will be more than happy if you guys will ask from me. And if suppose if I don't know anything, I will take some excuse from you, and hopefully in the next session, or hopefully one by one, I will provide you the answers. But today I will try to give you anything, miss, whatever you have in your mind, just ask me. Okay, not about my strategies. If you have anything, you can ask me in the end. Then okay, I am using this strategy. Might be it will be helpful for me. So Nuria is here, and
Hey, bhai, I'm here, Noman Nazir.
yeah, Numan bhai, how are you?
Fine, very well. How are you?
Still going good, Numan bhai. Still good.
Still going good?
Yeah, still going good. You know that world is going in a drastic end. So if we are
Yeah.
alive and we are eating every day, we are sleeping well. So I think it's a blessing from God that we
Yes, yes.
get
No
to.
doubt, no doubt, no doubt.
Because
We should.
nowadays everyone is problem. You know that everyone is hearing bad news. Means no news is coming. No good news is coming. Just the bad
Exactly,
news are coming.
exactly. This world has become like um, a total bad news, like kind of conglomerate kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So
So
let's hope that from the God, and let's stick to our basics, kind of, and let's carry on. What to do?
yeah. Yeah. And Shahid Anjum is also here. How are you, Shahid bhai?
I'm good, bhai. How are you?
Brother, I'm good. Really good. Thanks for supporting me every time.
Thank you. Thank you, actually,
No, no,
for
I'm
sharing the
really, I'm
information.
really
Yeah.
thankful to you. Okay, Khalid bhai is here. Khalid bhai.
Assalamualaikum Shobhai.
Walaikum
Assalamualaikum
salam.
everybody.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Khalid bhai?
Good, Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Good, 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 good. Nuria is here. Nuria, how was your
I
day?
was
Sorry, Khalid bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yeah, sorry, Khalid bhai.
yeah, I was actually I was going to say that I was trying your that order block, and because I didn't have a recording, so I just kind of remember what you said in your previous video, and I think it's very very powerful. The order block, and I did not understand the point of interest quite well last time. But order block is, I think, it's very, very powerful. It's really something like it's really institutional buying and selling over there. And if we understand that, and if we somehow implement that in our trading strategies, it will help us a lot. So I think that is something really powerful that you introduce. I know that your Fibonacci levels work very well, but order block is, I think, the next level thing, in my opinion.
Yeah,
In
but
my
yeah,
humble opinion, yes.
yeah, but order block, you know that I didn't create anything. Okay, everything
Hmm.
is on YouTube. Okay, you can see a lot of videos on YouTube
Yeah.
regarding order blocks or inducement or
Mm.
price of interest or POI, point of interest. You can say Fibonacci. But the thing is this, that how we can manage our trades by including everything, because sometimes order block works and Fibonacci doesn't work on the same chart. Okay, sometimes, so we need more confluences. So why I'm using all three things, means Fibonacci, order block and POI, because I need more confluences. So the area where there you will see more confluences, because if you are seeing that okay, order block is at 61.8%. Okay, so there will be more confluence, there will be two confluences. And if you draw extra trend line, and the trend line is means trend is breaking at that moment, so there will be a third confluence. So the more the confluence area, so you will have the safe trade. Because our part is that our main scope is that how can we protect our capital, because nobody has the capital, big miss, nobody has the huge account. So we all starting, some of us have more capital, but you need to manage your trades. Don't put $100,000 in the account. Okay, I have $2 million, I can start the trading with $500,000. No, it's not the gambling. So we just need to emphasize that, okay, how can we protect our capital? If you are able to protect your capital, brother, I am telling you, you will be looking for the trades and the trade will come towards you. You just need to wait. You need to be disciplined, that okay, it means don't do this thing, because I have done a lot of times, even sometimes, till I am doing the same thing. When I switched on the computer, I see, oh, the market is running, the market is bullish, I am entering my trade. Okay, and at the second moment, the stop loss hit. Okay, so don't do this. Try to manage your trades. If you are trading, suppose, two trades in a day, or maximum five trades in a day, okay, more than five will be over trading for traders. Basically, we are doing a little bit scalping, but not that type of scalping that we should know anything, because we need to know that, okay, where the market will come for the reversal. Why for the reversal? Because if we are going for buy, below the miss at the reversal area, below that reversal area will be our stop loss. So we know our stop loss very well. That's the basic thing. So other than that, miss, trading is just manage your trades, discipline, patience. If you know everything, then I think it will be a good success rate for you. Can guys just give me a second? Yeah, sorry, Nuria, you were saying something. Sorry, I interrupted you.
Rabbi,
Yeah,
a question.
yeah.
Like when we talk about discipline, and by discipline, we mean that we should keep waiting for the right moment and the right trade to come and then jump into the trade, or we should know the mechanics of having every trade, like the way you put charts and photos of like particular situation, like these levels coming down and up, and then since you know them very well, so you exactly know where to hit, like where to buy and where to sell. So that depicts more discipline. Like, can you explain like this discipline term? Like, how can we have more discipline in our trading?
Yeah, you have already given me the answer, Numan bhai. So,
Acha.
like, everybody is giving the same example, that okay, if you are waiting for the bus, so what you
Mhm.
will do? You will not run towards the bus. You will wait at your stop, so the bus
Mhm.
come towards you. Okay, it's the
Right.
same thing with trading. So if
Mhm.
you know that, okay, the market, suppose if you are doing stocks, okay,
Mhm.
so you know that the pre-market run is from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay,
Yeah.
some stocks also runs after 8 a.m. But what we do, we take the pre-market high and pre-market low. Okay, so you know your main stop, because in the pre-market, some retail traders have already done the trading. So market runs in both ways, due to the retail traders and due to the market makers or institutes, banks. Okay, so but the main run is by the banks and institutes. So you know the main levels, resistance and support, that okay, the in the pre-market, suppose the stock right now at the market open, the stock is running at $10, and in the pre-market the major high was $12 and the major low was $8. So you know the levels. So what you will do, at there can be two three scenarios. Once the market will open, the market will run from $10 towards $12 for the buy, and from 12, if the market opens in the bearish mode, then the price can come from $10 to $8. So you know your stop loss, that is not a stop loss, the level from where you enter is $8, because you are doing the stocks. If you have a margin account, you can short, but if you don't have the margin account or big amount in your account, you cannot short. The broker will not allow you to short. So suppose we are retailers, we don't have a huge account. So what we will do, we will see that okay, the market has opened
Market has
at 9:30 and the market sentiments are bullish. The news is good. Okay, suppose there is a merger. There is a ABC company. They have they are producing something, or they have a contract with Amazon. So Amazon doesn't affect any, means there is no effect on Amazon. But that small company is basically will be a big company. On that day, there is a big news for that small company. So what we will do, we know that okay, the news is really good for ABC company, not for Amazon. So there are more chances that might be the price will drop a little bit towards $8, then it will run towards $12, which is the pre-market high. So what you will do, just at the when the bell will ring at 9:30, you will just see that okay, first 1 minute 2 minutes candle, what it is saying. At that moment, we know our stop loss. Why our stop loss? Because my stop loss is basically if the market is running towards 61.8%, I will go with the stop loss at 61.8%. Might be it will be at $9, a little bit below, but I will not enter into a trade. Why? Because I will wait for the retesting. So until the market will not retest, we will not enter into a trade. This is just like if the bus is coming towards you, what the bus driver is trying to do. He will see that okay, is there any car behind me? Means he can stop suddenly or no. If he can stop with his proper speed, so what will happen? He will stop properly. There will be no chances of the accident, and you will enter into the bus in a proper way. So what is your theme at that moment? Okay, I will wait for the bus. When the bus will stop, then I will enter into the bus. So it's the same thing. Just imagine that when the market is coming towards you, just wait for the current means the real price. What is the real price? Means what can be my stop loss? Okay, I can take this much loss. No, but what on which strategy you can take the loss? There will be some strategies. Some people are using VWAP, some people are using moving average, RSI. Okay, there are many things. Some people are just using the some super trend. So everything, it depends what is in your mind, is how you treat the market. So for me, the my stop loss is the institutional buyings through order blocks, through Fibonacci. But remember one thing, market makers or the banks institutes don't use any indicator. They don't know about Fibonacci. They don't know about moving average. Okay. They only see where is our orders. Where are the retail, most of the retailers have put their orders. So they want to hit your stop loss. This is basically their strategy. So and we need to wait. If we suppose if we have already put our trade at the market, when the market will open, okay, we are looking that okay, $8 is the previous low. So there can be two things. You can put your order, buying order at $8. The market will, I can show you in the chart. I think it will be better. Okay.
Shoaib bhai, just to reconfirm, do you have started the recording?
Yes, I have already started, and just remind me several times. Okay. Yeah.
So I hope it's not on mute, right?
No, it's not unmute.
Perfect.
So there are two type of stop losses. One is the mental stop loss, and the other one is the physical stop loss. Okay, if you are looking that the market is running, suppose at the price is coming at, hello,
So
yeah, $10, and there is a, suppose, stop loss at, there are two type of levels, like the price is coming down. So you are thinking that okay, the price will come from, market opens at $10, a little bit move upwards, then it came down, retested this area, now it is coming down, might be around 9, after 9:30, around 10 o'clock, it is retesting the pre-market low. So what can be the other thing here? what you will do, you will not enter into a trade like this. Okay, I'm entering into a trade here, and my stop loss will be here. Okay, so okay, I am thinking, okay, the price is coming here, the market will reverse from here. Okay, so what the price will do, the market makers are looking this, suppose this is 10 million dollars stop loss total. Okay, the news is really good, everybody is looking, the volume is huge. So what the market makers will do, they will come here, they will make their trade like this, then they will come here. You are already in a trade because you put your buying order here. Okay, your buying is this level, a little bit above $8, because $8 was your pre-market low. So you are entering into a trade. Okay, I am happy. Oh, I have already entered into a trade. Then I will, what I will do, I will exit. I will take out my first exit at $10, and then I will see. So at least I will not take any loss. So okay, after that, what will happen? The price came down, retest. You don't have to worry. Okay, you are looking. Oh, my order is there. So the price, what it will do, might be it will take double bottom and then it will go up. No, what they will do, they know that okay, this is a $10 million order. So what they will do, they will take the price like this. After that, they will retest. They will come, eat your stop loss, and then the price will go up. So what will happen, you enter here and you exit here, they give you a loss, eat all your stop losses, and then they will run the market, means how they want to run. Okay, this is basically, so this is basically your physical stop loss. You have put your buying and stop loss here physically. Though they will eat the stop loss. What other people will do? Okay, what they do, they don't put any stop loss. Okay, and there are most of the people, they did the same thing in this company Lucid. Okay, what they did, that if we see, the price was almost, I think, 50-60 dollars like this. So I know that okay, Lucid is a big company, they are making the cars and it will be a huge company. Okay, so what I did, I entered, suppose I have mm, $10,000. So what I will do, I bought $10,000, and what the market did, I didn't put any stop loss. I know this company will be $100 company. The market will come down, come down, come down. What I will do, I when I see, oh, this was the lower low, I bought, suppose, $2,000 more share. Okay, the market went up, I didn't take any profit, means this is the profit, oh, on in the loss. Okay, I didn't enter, I didn't take out anything. So what the market did, again the market came down, I said, oh, I need to average down again. I have a lot of money, I can average it down, this company is really good. Okay, I bought another, suppose, $5,000 share. Then the market came down, I was talking with my friends, they said, no, no, this company is really good, like Tesla. Okay, like Tesla, okay, this is $1,000 company. But what the technical means, what the chart is saying to you, okay, Tesla is a good company. Okay, there is no other option there. Okay, it is a big company. They have already captured the market in EV. But if you don't put your physical stop loss, you will be a bag holder. Okay, this all you are buying here, you are buying more shares, you are buying more shares here, you are buying more shares here. Now you're buying, and after that you thought, no, this is enough, I cannot buy any share. So market came down, came down, came down, and after that it will do like this, it will again test, and then you, okay, now you want what you want, you want to at least means you don't want to take any profit, but you want that, okay, at least whatever price I bought, at least I can be a 0-0, means I will have no profit, no loss. What the market can do, it can go up, then it will come back again, then it will go up. Now 2 years have passed. Okay, You have put all your amount in this only stock, and you are not even on break even right now. So what you will think? You will think, oh, I don't have the money. Until I will not be on a break even, I will not trade anything. So this can be, you if you don't put your physical stop loss, this thing can happen, and this thing has happened with a lot of my friends. They are the bag holders right now. They are averaging the price. Averaging is just a suicide. Okay, one time average is good. Okay, the average amount from the stop loss is not too far. Okay, it can be option, but you need to be, because if you are, because what happened, you were 100% sure that the price will reverse from here, but your 100% didn't work here. So how your 100% can work here or any place? Okay, so you need to put your physical stop loss. Okay, if you are not putting your physical stop loss, if you have $1 million account, it's useless. I know my friend. Yesterday, I was talking with one of our other friend, and they have taken a huge loss, more than $1 million loss within 4 to 6 months. So please don't. If you have $100 account, trade with your physical levels, with your chart, what the chart is saying. If you have $10,000 account, trade in the same way. Don't increase your contracts. Like in futures, we have number of contracts. Okay, don't see your profit. Every time I say the same words, don't see your profit, always see your chart. If you are taking out the profit, suppose from this area to this area, if you are taking $10 profit, as per your chart, take it out. If you are taking $10,000 profit here, take it out. Don't see what is your account. Okay, just go with the chart. Okay, and the same thing I have already mentioned in my, I think, the presentation which I shared with you, that don't ever see your account size, your profit. Always go with your chart. I am giving you my words. You will not be in a loss. After 6 months, you will see that okay, your account will be green, not red. Okay, so this is basically the stop loss procedure. You need to make sure that where you are putting the stop loss, it should be clear, and it should be as per the market orders. Not every time it will not go 100% in your way, but at least it will be, if you are 60-70% right in every time, then I think there will be nobody can stop your account grow. Okay, might be it will grow slowly, gradually, but slow and steady wins the race. So think in that way. Don't ever think that okay, in that guy made the money $1 million in 3 months, I will make the money in 1.5 months. No, you will be negative $1 million. Might be you are using the margin account, might be the bank will sue you. You need to sell your property, might be you need to sell your car, might be you need to borrow money from your friends. Nobody will give you the amount. Okay, now we are in that world that nobody will give you anything. Okay, so guys, understand what I want to say?
Yes. Yes, sir. Pretty
Yes.
clear.
Okay,
Yes,
sorry,
bhai.
sorry, I was a little bit because
No, this
Emotional.
is the thing we have to tell before starting the trading.
yeah, because trading, I think Onkar, are you here? Onkar, the
Yeah,
thing
I'm
is this,
here.
that how are you, my friend? The thing is this, that
I'm good.
you are not doing the trading with the capital. Basically,
Yeah.
brother, you are doing the trading with your family. Okay, the earning which you have in your account, it's not for you, it's your family. If your family in trouble, what you will do? Will you ask from any other person, come and take care of my family? No. They have their families, they have their relationships, they have their brothers, sisters. Okay, they will take care of their family. Even my real brother not will not come for me. I will not go
Yeah,
for
that's
him.
true.
Okay, so please be patient. If you have already taken the loss, so what you can do, just stop the trading. Okay, just stop the trading for at least for miss. If you have already lost 100K, then stop the trading for 6 months at least, or maybe 1 year. Why? Because you don't know the trading. Why you have lost 100K within no time and you are still doing the trading, miss? If you cannot make the profit on paper trading, how can you make the with the actual amount? Because in paper trading, okay, you can put 50% of your emotions, okay, because that's not your real money. But if you have, because what I always say, suppose if you have $5,000, okay, you can take the loss of $5,000. So what you need to do, you can start the paper trading with $5,000. Do it for 3 months, 6 months, okay, and once you will be in that position to make profit over that 5,000 paper trading account, then you can start trading with your actual money. Because when your actual money you are trading with your real money, then your emotions will be entirely different as compared to the paper money. Okay, but try to understand this thing. If you are not making money over paper account, you cannot make the money in real account. Believe me, I am not giving you any other example. I am giving you my example. Okay, so please.
No, sure. This is the best example. You gave me this advice. That's why I started doing paper trading. Now I am in green in my real one.
I know, brother, you have lost a lot of money. When you called
Yeah.
me, I think.
The first time I saw so many YouTube videos, etc., etc., and I lost more amount. No, thanks to you, bro.
No, no, anytime, and you have paid a lot of money because you told me how much money you have spent over the miss for the subscription and everything. You bought so many subscription. I told you that okay,
Yeah.
try to learn by nobody will trade for you. Nobody will give you the profit, brother. Nobody.
Yeah, everyone is just telling the stock or that one, you just buy that.
Yeah,
But
buy that,
the
and
strategy you are telling to all of us, that's great. The order blocks, this point of interest, this is the out of way, right?
yeah. But I want to add that this is not my strategy. I'm just because what I have done, I was using
Yeah,
moving
the
average. I was using
I'm sorry,
RSI.
but the thing is that you are explaining the things in a very simple way that everyone is able to understand.
Yeah, that's the main thing. If you understand that okay, this is my level for trade, either for buy or either for sell. Okay, just go with that area. Don't put extra efforts on your trading. Just go simple. Means some people will only do VWAP because they are waiting for ABCD pattern. Okay, like if we see here, um, if I will only switched on VWAP. Okay, so they wait for the ABCD pattern. Okay, here you can see ABCD pattern. How this is your breakout VWAP. This is A, then this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, this D, basically this leg is A leg, this leg is B leg, this leg is C leg, and this is D. The D is not lower than A. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, I know this trade. Okay, what I should do? Okay, when I see that okay, this candle has broken the previous low, I will put my stop loss below this line. Okay, I will enter into the trade with whatever the price is there. I will not put anything, okay, right click and they trade at this level. No, what I will do, I will enter open market. Okay, whatever the price, my stop loss is here. I know my stop loss. Why? Because you can see, everyone can see there is also an order block. Okay, this is normal order block. I didn't see anything. I didn't see any other thing. I just enter with the order block, previous low. And another thing, what I will do, At the same time, I will put my Fibonacci here, because this was the impulsive miss. If I will say to you, explain to you, this is your impulsive move. Okay, and this whole area is your retracement, and this is your extension. Okay, price move like this every time. Price moves like this. Okay, if we are in bullish trend, the price will move like this. Sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like this. Okay, so this line is my impulsive move, this is retracement, and this is extension. Not 100 times it will go in the same manner. Might be the price will come here, didn't break the previous high, and it will test the previous low again, then range bound. Okay, the price is not breaking, and after some time might be it will break on the upper side, or might be it will break downside. It depends how the market sentiments, how are the buy orders. So here I am looking that, okay, the price broke the VWAP, and then it came down to retrace, didn't break the previous low. Okay, so what I will do, I can add my friend. My friend is Fibonacci. Okay. This the high. The price needs to retrace not more than 88.6%. Not more than 88.6%. Okay. If the closing of any candle is below the 88.6%, then there are chances that the price, or below suppose break this structure, then our structure breaks. So the my final level for the retracement is 88.6%. If the price is not breaking 88.6%, then there are more chances it will come again to this area, and this is my, again, not 11.4, this is the retracement again for towards 88.6, because 11.4 is basically 88.6. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Shoaib bhai,
Yeah.
I have a little question here. Like when you draw the Fibonacci here, so my understanding is when the B move is not breaking the 61%,
Yeah.
so price should go up. But in this case, it came and tested 61%, went up to 88.6%, and then again fell down.
Yeah. So your question is why?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
because
Because
yesterday was the
general
news.
perception is when it didn't
Yeah.
break the 61%, it should go up to 161 level.
Yeah. Because my brother, yesterday we had the news. Okay. On the news day, don't think the market will 100% go in the same, because there was a job reports. Okay, December job reports. So but another thing, there are probabilities. Okay, there are probabilities that the market will do like this. Okay, because the market didn't, my first target is 61.8%, and my last target is 88.6%. We have still in this range, because all these levels 61.8, 50, might be the market will retrace from 78.6%, and that is the more powerful area to go up. So this area 78.6% is a little bit low power, but at least it is not breaking 88.6%. Market can do anything. We are thinking about the probabilities. Okay, don't think that, okay, market did this thing, oh, 100%, because that's why I am saying that don't trade without the stop loss. If the market will go against you, what you will do? You will be hopeless. Okay, because every time you will be thinking, no, the market will come again to this level, market will come tomorrow to this level. One of my friend, he had the profit in Tesla. He that At that moment, the price was around 300 and something, I don't remember. So he asked me that I'm this much profit. I said that, okay, it will come around 114. He said, no, I am in profit. Okay, his break even was around 250 something. He still owns the Tesla, and he has the huge amount of Tesla stocks. So what happened? His money, his capital has stuck. He cannot trade anything until the Tesla will not go above 250. Okay, so there are probabilities. Take out your profit. If you are in loss, take the loss. Why you are not taking the loss? Okay, brother.
Shabbai, I have a dumb question. Um, so you mentioned that the market makers and the banks, they look for these levels, like where we have the order blocks. So they would know that we are following these Fibonacci levels and all that. So if we are putting the stop losses, right? Do you think they would try to hit the stop loss, eat them, and then just bounce back? So I mean, I'm just thinking, if we don't put the stop loss, they don't see that. But if it goes down, then we just sell at the market.
Yeah, but I think Numan bhai is here.
Almas.
Almas bhai.
Yeah, yeah.
Almas bhai, the thing is this, that if I am not putting the stop loss with my $1 million buying, suppose they don't see my stop loss, okay, but they know my buying price. What is my buying price? Okay, so what they will do, they will take the market down. At one moment, I will be frustrated and I will put the stop loss. So suppose the market is only the retail, I am only retailer who is running the market. Banks and institutes are okay. They are saying my buying level. So what they will do? Okay. They know that Shoaib has bought around 3830. Okay. And if they will take the market to 3800, they know that Shoaib is in loss of 30 points. Okay, and I bought with $1 million, suppose, or $1,000. So they know that I am frustrating every day. Okay, so what happened means every time they are taking the market near to 4,000 level and they are taking it down. Why? Because there are more levels at 3,900, 3,950, 4,000. Okay, market, they are not taking the market, they are not breaking the market since many months, but every time they are taking the market in that range. So if you are not putting your stop loss, you are doing the gambling.
But
So
thereby,
yeah,
even if we put the stop loss, they are looking at stop loss and then go and they get our stop loss hit again.
yeah.
So I think whether we put a stop loss or whether we don't put a stop loss, we get hit in both cases, isn't it?
If you are not putting the stop loss, then how it will hit? Miss, you will be in profit after some moment if the price will go again in the same direction. If you are not putting the stop loss, okay, you don't want to take the risk. You are in a you can be in a big problem. If the market will not go up, what will do if you are not taking the stop loss? Suppose it's the same thing, brother. So it's the same thing. Like you have $10,000 in your account. Okay, I will say that okay, brother. There is a game, and you need to play that game every day, like gambling game. Suppose, okay, every day if you put $1,000, so there are two chances. Either you put your stop loss at $500 and your profit will be $500. So over $1,000, you have the risk of $500 and the profit you can take $500. So one day what will happen? The next day might be you will have $9,500 in your account, or might be you will have 10,500 in your account. Okay, only one thing will happen after one day. Over the $10,000 account with the stop loss and profit same $500. Next day might be you will again win and you will have $11,000 in your account. Okay, are you understanding? Are you with me?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Third day, they know that okay, now he has $11,000 in your account. This is your option, that you want to put your stop loss or profit 500, or you don't want to put your stop loss and profit at 500. Third day, you are thinking, oh, I made 10% on the capital. So I don't want to put the stop loss. Okay, now because your range was 500 plus or 500 minus, but if you are not putting the stop loss, they can give you a loss of $3,000 suppose, because they are the market makers.
Yeah.
Now what will happen on the third day? Till the second day, you or me was happy because I made 10%
Yeah.
in my account. But on the third day, I am how much percent loss?
30% loss.
30%. I would say more than 40, more than 30%, because my what is my capital? Don't think that I put the $10,000. Whatever amount you have in your account today, that is your amount. You can use it. Your capital is not $10,000. Your capital is whatever you have in your account.
Right.
Because think in this way. Okay, I opened the account with $10,000 before 5 years. Now I have, instead of $10,000, I have $1 million in my account. Okay, the bank will come and they said that okay, your capital is $10,000, so the other amount is ours. So what you will say? No, my amount is, my money is $1 million, not $10,000. Will you give the other amount to bank or any other person?
No, of course, why?
So why you want to give your profit to other people? Because whatever amount you have today on January 7th, this is your capital. Don't never think in this
Yes.
way that
The 10,000 is my capital and 1,000 is my profit.
yeah, but
We
whatever
shouldn't
you
think this.
have in your account is your money.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, a lot of people, you talk with your traders friends, they have a big amount in their account. They started with suppose $100,000. Now they have $500,000. They are happy. After 6 months, they were crying, oh, I have $250,000 in my account. So can you able to say this thing? No, you should be happy. You started with $100,000. Now you have $250,000. Why you are crying?
Yeah.
Can we say this thing to them? No, because they were $500,000 in their account when you spoke with them last time. Now they have $250,000. So if you will if I will smile on their faces, oh, why are you crying? They will slap me. Are you mad? I lost $250,000 and you are smiling, understanding? So just try to
Yes, sure.
understand whatever you have today. That is your capital. Your capital is not that amount which you input in your account, which you put in your account before 6 months, before 1 year. No, that is not your capital. We plan as per the amount what we have in your account. Okay,
Right, true.
if I am planning to go for vacations, I will plan whatever amount in my account. Okay, I will see the dream. I will make the dream comes to, because whatever amount I have in my account, not with that capital which I invested 1 year ago.
Right, right.
Okay, so don't ever think sorry if I am wrong, but I always think in this way. Whatever I have today is my capital. If I am losing, suppose for 3 4 days, I stop trading. Okay, go to the paper trade. Why I am losing? Why I have more losing trades as compared to the profitable trades. Okay, so when I see here, okay, this the market broke the VWAP, that made a, this is your whole retracement. Why? Because the market retested that it is double top. Okay, here is the double top. And if I will go with 15 minutes, what I will be able to see is there something. um If I am going with 30 minutes, is there something? No. If I am going 10 minutes, is there something? No. 5 minutes. I'm just looking one thing. Okay, I tell you what. Okay, if I will see that the previous time the market reached to this area, okay, and then it came here. Okay, I'm not looking this candle, I'm looking previous candle. So basically this time we are looking that, okay, here, this is basically what I am looking that, okay, the market sweep out the liquidity here. This liquidity of this previous candle has been sweep out this green candle, and then the market retrace, and then it came down again, fill the liquidity, because the previous red candle was here. Okay, the inducement, if I will take out this line, so previous inducement was here, market exactly sweep out that liquidity, the high of the red candle, and came down. Okay, I will tell you these things today. Okay. So basically this is ABCD pattern. If you are doing anything, stocks, momentum stocks, shares, even forex, okay, this is a really great pattern, because most of the retail traders do the trading with VWAP only. This is the VWAP line, and you can find it in the indicator. Okay, once the VWAP is going down, the color will be yellow, and otherwise it will be magenta color. Okay, and I know that if the market is retracing, it will, my first target will be 61.8% in the opposite direction, then the second will be 88.6%. Okay, so market went up, hit 78.6%, then came down again. Okay, but I am in the trade, I put my stop loss below this. I want to see big profit. Okay, so in this 2 minutes candle, I'm just also telling you the indicator. Okay, the VWAP is here. So with this 2 minutes, I will open only this fast line. Okay, till the fast line color will not change, I can be in the trade. Okay, so if I enter here, sorry, here, so if I enter here or above this area, so my takeout will be until this green line will not change the color to red. Here it changed, but the second candle closing is not below this line. This first candle, this red color candle closing is below this green line. That's why it changed the color to red. But the second candle broke this high, previous high, and close it. So I can be in the, I can continue my trade until it will not change, and the second candle also will not break. So I can take out from the trade here. I can get out myself here. So with this indicator, if I enter here 38.38 and I get out here 38.89, I am making around 50 points. 50 points is $2,500 with this ABCD pattern or with this indicator. This is a little bit near to exponential moving average, but not 100%. If I will put 20 or 21 moving average, so the line will be close to this green line. Okay, but it's a little bit different. Okay, because there are several codings behind this indicator. Okay, around 1884 lines. Okay, so I put some efforts, because we want to go with the visual things as compared to the written. If I will say to you that, okay, there is a book of 1,000 pages, do you want to read the book or do you want to watch the movie over that book? I would go with the movie, because I am a really miss,
Yes.
I don't, every time I want to go with the visualization. I am
Mhm.
really poor reader, so I will go with the colors, I will go with the themes. Okay, so you can trail your stop loss every time. Miss, if I am in a trade, so what I will do, I will, if I've already entered in the trade, I will put my stop loss below the previous structure every time, below the green line, below the previous structure, below the green line, below the previous, but because the green line is too far. So in this case, what I will do, I will see that, okay, the previous high was this. Okay, So if the market will drop down, it should not drop down below this level. So I can put my stop loss just below it. Okay, I am in a trade. Okay, if the market has come here, so it should not be below this line. Okay, give a little bit cushion to the market. Okay, my stop loss will be here because I can see there is another wick. The market went up and then came down. So in this way, means you can trail your stop loss. If the market has come here, so this was my previous low, so I can put a small box and I will put my stop loss below this previous low. Now I'm still in a trade. So if the market has come down here and coming down, so what will be my stop loss? Below the previous low. Okay, here. So I am still in a trade. So I can carry on my trade. Okay, after coming here, this was my previous low. Okay, that line. Okay, so the market came down, broke this previous line. Okay, but what I told you that please give some cushion, so that if that was the previous low, you can put some cushion. Okay, but I think the stop loss hit, because I will not give more cushion, because still the cushion is around 2 points. 2 points is your $100 in ES. You can go with the stocks, but here, if the stop loss has been hit, okay, don't worry. Wait for another trade. How can I trade? Because I can see here that, okay, this is the highest wick after here, and this is the highest wick, or this can be your highest wick above this block. So I can make a trend line. Once the trend line will break and the color of the line will be green, I will get myself in. So if I again in, what will be my stop loss? Below the previous low. This is my previous low. Higher high, higher low. Then higher high, higher low. If I am here entering into a trade, suppose this is my entry. What I will do, I will put the stop loss below the previous low. That was my previous low. I can put my stop loss here. I am again in the trade. Okay, until the green line will not change the color to red. Here it broke and the second candle is also down. I can get out from this trade. Okay, if I am shortening, do the same thing. How? Because that was my order block. Okay, highest candle before the bearish trend. There is another order block, this candle, last candle before the bearish trend. Okay, at any place here, at any place here. And another thing I am looking that, okay, I am watching some trend breakout here. The trend has been broken down with a strong bearish candle. The color of the line is red. I can in a trade. Okay, what will be my takeout profit if I don't want to trade, because the market has closed after around 5 p.m. So there is no volume. That's why there is sideway movement. So that was my major low. Major low was here. This is high, this is low, then this is higher high, this is low, that is higher high again. That is, this structure has been broken down. Then did it broke the previous high? No. Okay, it is trying to come down. Did the previous major high broken? No. Then the price break the last two structures. This structure or this structure or this structure. The price came down. Okay, so we need to go with one by one. What is my structure level? What is my POI? What is my order blocks? So everything we will discuss. And regarding, okay, we are in the, suppose if you guys are using the indicator, I want to show one more thing. Just go with the simple things. Okay, if you are not using this VWAP, you can trade in another way. Just open the today's open line and London open 3 a.m. because if you are in Eastern time, then market of London opens at 3 a.m. And another thing what you can do, just open this bar color, the first one, not the second one, not this one. This yellow and black candles, I think these are the bullish and bearish engulfing. Just open the fourth one, first, second, third, fourth, this bar color. So what you will see? You will see some this type of candles. Okay. So for the settings, I have already shared the PDF files. So you need to put those settings so your candle colors will be like this. Okay. So I have already these are the color candles like this. Okay, so you need to go with the settings I have already mentioned. I have saved this one with the dark color. Okay, so you can also do in the same way. So how you can trade in this one? You need to wait for the dark for the buyer. For first we are going with the buy. So you need to go with the you need to wait for the dark color candles. Okay, dark color candles are here, and the price needs to break this line. You can say moving average line for now. Okay, if so, so what you will do, once you after the dark color candle, if you are looking any dark green candle, then what you can do, after the dark green candle you can enter yourself in a trade. Okay, suppose after this dark green candle I enter here or here or here or wherever, so this is your buying candle. Okay, because it broke the after the dark red color candle, it broke the green line. I can enter myself here and I can put my stop loss because this was the lower low and then it is trying to make the head. I can put my stop loss here. If I enter here 3851, because this is a huge amount. Okay, 3838 is your stop loss, and until it will not change the color. So here if suppose if but the second candle is not closing below the line, so you don't need to get out from the trade. You can trail your stop loss. This was your entry anywhere. Okay, suppose this is your entry and you are making the profit. If you have made $200, okay, if you have made $3,000, okay, no issue. You can trail your stop loss just below it, because in ES you can trade in both ways. Right now I'm just telling you the for the buy. Okay, now what will happen, the price came down below this red line. I am already get out, okay, with some profit 3859. Suppose if the second candle is here, this is the first candle which broke, this is the second candle. Suppose if I take the loss, means if I am getting out from the trade here, how many points I have made? 59 to 89, 40 points, no sorry 30 points is $1,500. Now I am waiting for the buy again. Why? Because I can see that okay, this was my trend breakout, trend has broken, and now I want to see for the buy. After the dark color candles, dark red candles, after the dark red candles, even this candle broke the line. If you see, this candle broke the line. But the next candle is not green. Even this is a doji candle. This is green doji. Where? Here. Okay. But it is not breaking above the line. You need to wait. Don't enter yourself in the trade. Okay. The price came down again. This light color candle is more bearish candle as compared to this green candle. This is bullish candle. This is the bearish candle. So this candle is red color candle. Even this candle has broken the line. Here the candles have broken the line. Here the candles have broken the line. So you can also put yourself here. But here this green candle is not breaking. So just wait. This candle has broken the line. Okay. So what you can do, you can again enter. After this candle here, suppose if you are entering here. So this is your buying block with the indicator. Okay, and your stop loss will be below the previous structure. This is your previous structure, and you can put yourself in the trade. How many points? Suppose until the green line will not change the color to red. Where it is changing the color, the first candle broke here, the second candle broke here. Okay, so you can get out anywhere here. Suppose in the second candle you are getting out yourself. Suppose you if you got out here. So how many points you can make with this indicator? 3890 and 3820. This is 30 points, which is $1,500. Okay, you are not looking anything. You are not looking Fibonacci. You are not making any order block. No POI. No Just you need two things. You need to wait for the candle colors, and you are just making a trend line, simple trend line. Okay. And where you will get out at the second red candle. Here you need to get out. Okay. If because the market was really bullish, so what I do here, if I'm making the trend line on 1 minute, because I'm doing the I want to enter in a trade. So here also the dark red candles, because this green candle is below the red line, so I will not enter myself in a trade. So after all these red candles, here I am getting the green candle which is breaking. So this can be my buying area. Okay. And if I will make the trend line has also broken. Okay. And exactly breaking at the green candle. So I can put myself here entry. My entry can be at any place in between. At the second candle, my stop loss will be below the structure. This was the previous structure, higher high, lower high and lower low, then lower again working. I can trail my trade with the 1 minute also. Okay. If I am getting out at the second red candle, this is the second red candle below the line. Okay. Again, I have made how many points? 38.52 to 38.86. Almost 34 points. Each point is $50. Now I'm waiting for the trade. Here is another trade. The price is above the green line. I found the red candle, dark red candle, and then I found the dark green candle. Okay, what I will do, I will enter after this dark green candle. So this will be my buying zone, and below the structure it will be my stop loss. So my stop loss will be below this structure, and I am in the trade, and I will take my trade almost second candle. Second candle is here. I get out myself here. This was a small trade, but it is giving you 7 points. Okay, so for buy, this should be your strategy. Even on 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever. Means here there is no candle which is breaking above the line. Okay, this is the candle which broke above the line after these all candles. So you can get yourself in a trade. Suppose if you are getting yourself in a trade here, but after that you stop loss because the price came down. First candle broke this line, second candle broke this line, your stop loss should be here. So you are losing almost 2 points. Okay, so you need to wait. You are waiting. What will happen here? This is the candle breaking above the line, and it is a dark candle after the red candles. So where is the second candle? The second candle is not breaking. If you see closely, the second candle is not breaking this high. So I will not get myself in the trade. I will wait. Here I will enter into the trade because I found the candle above the line, but the line color is, if you see, is not changed. It is, if you see below, this is green and red both. So you can enter into the trade, and your stop loss will be here below this second candle because the candle has broken. If you have entered into the trade, your stop loss is 3892, your stop loss is 3891, just only 1 point. Okay, so you are waiting for the trade. Here the candle broke, here the candle broke with the dark color candles, but the next candle is not breaking. So here can be your entry. So this can be your entry because after the red candles, this red candles, the price broke this area and the second green candle is here. So you can enter here at anywhere in this second candle. Where is a stop loss? Below the line, if the line is close to these candles, or below the structure. So structure is far, but your line is near. So what you can do, you can put your stop loss here, or after the second red candle. There is a second red candle, or there is a second candle below the line. No, you didn't find any second candle. So you enter here, you are still in the trade. So your stop loss didn't hit. So you bought, you are in the trade. You bought in a trade and the price went up. So you are in the profit. Okay. And where you can get out yourself? With the second red candle. Here is the second red candle. You have been stopped out here. So how many points? 92 against 98, 6 points. Then again you found the, after the red candles you found the green candle. So your entry will be here in the second green candle, anywhere in the second green candle. And where is your stop loss? Below the line or below the structure. So I found the structure a little bit more on the lower side. So I will not put my stop loss here. I will put my stop loss below the line. So this is my stop loss. 01 to 99 is only 2 points. I can trail the profit. Where is my profit? Here. Here is my second red candle. First red candle closing the line. Second red candle closing the line. I will put my stop loss here. Means the takeout profit. And I am outside from the trade. So 01 to 15, 14 points. So if you use this indicator, use in this way. Even just for buy. Don't go with the sell. You will make huge amount of profit. Okay, you know the candle colors, you know the line. Just what you need to do, just make some small trend lines. Okay, here is the wick, here is the highest wick, and it is breaking the line. So what you can do, just make the trend. The trend is breaking exactly at the dark green candle. This is your powerful candle. Okay, so you can make entry here anywhere up with the second green candle. If you enter here, your stop loss is where, because the line and the bottom is very near. So what I will do, I will put my stop loss just below it. Okay, only 4 points stop loss. So against 4,
What time frame should we use?
1 or 2 minutes. Don't go with the high time frame. This is just for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
so you know that you have entered in the trade. Just carry on with the trade. Second red candle, stop loss. Okay, do in this same manner. Do avoid trading during the lunch hour. Okay, because in the lunch hour the markets in the sideway, like here. If you see this whole block from around 11 o'clock to this is your block. The market is range bound during this 1 hour, 11 to 12. The market is range bound and it broke. But if you just go with the whatever I told you right now, if you are using the indicator, use in this way. If you are doing 10 trades, I am very much hopeful that only 2 or 3 trades, if you are taking the green, uh, even on 2 in 3 trades, you will make the, I think, profit for your next 3 4 days or for a week. You don't need to trade for the next whole week. So just use
Shweta,
these things.
I have a couple of questions.
Yeah.
So the lunch time is Eastern time, 11 to 12.
Yeah, as per Eastern, because your main market is New York Stock Exchange. Okay.
I have second question, Shweta.
Yeah.
What differentiates these dark color candles from the light color candles like green or red?
What differentiate means the main difference is just once the price is taking the direction towards break out these candles or towards the slope will be changed, then it will change the color, but not every time. Because if you see, I want to show you. If you see,
I mean, the reason I'm asking because like these green candles represent the buyers, right?
these dark green candles represent the buying above the
Right.
above the green line and after the red candles.
Okay, but the regular light color green candles are just, I mean
Yeah,
the buy.
basically these are the normal buying, but this is a huge buying in this area.
Okay.
Over this candle, there is a huge buying. Over this candle, there is a huge buying. So probability is more, not 100%, not 90%. If you are, suppose, if you are using this indicator and just making 50-50, I just mentioned you. Okay, if you are making, suppose if you are trading 10 trades, if you are losing 5 trades, if you are getting the profit in 5 trades, you will be overall in profit, because your ratio is more than 1 is to 2, far more than 1 is to 2. Okay.
Okay.
So just start with the paper trade, 1 or 2 minute chart, and see that if the indicator is working or not. If you have any question, give me a call, send me a message, send me an email at any time. Okay?
Thank you.
Not after 11 o'clock Eastern time till 6 a.m. But other than that, you can call me at any time. I will be more than happy if you will call me, and I will be able to answer any of your questions.
Much appreciated, Sean.
Okay, so in
Shreb,
this way,
Shreb, there is another indicator you have like a dark green and there is a lime green.
yeah,
You're not using that lime green indicator trend
this
line?
this line.
No, no, no. In your stock trade breakout, there is a two trend
Uh,
lines. One is a dark
Shweba,
green versus one lime green.
Yeah.
I think he's talking about smart line.
Oh, that one. Yeah, this is basically more faster because you are talking about this line.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, yeah.
correct.
Because actually, if you have used this line, whatever I told you right now, this is really easy. Until the both the lines will be of same color, you will be in the trade. Once both the lines will be of same color, magenta and red, you will be get out from the trade. Okay. In the same manner, if you have magenta red, you can be in the sell trade. Okay. I was
Okay,
coming towards it, and it's
okay,
good that you have
please.
already mentioned. So
Okay,
if you have both the lines, lime and green, you can be in a trade. Until both the lines will be not of the same color, means magenta and
okay,
red. Here magenta and red,
okay.
sorry, magenta. So you are already get out because you got the second red candle.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So one is a fast, one is a
One
little
is
bit
a little
slower.
bit fast. You can say one is in the simple manner. You can say one is 9 moving average and the other one is 20 moving average.
Okay.
Okay. And when it is breaking, they are changing the color. Okay. Just for the visualization purpose, I have done some different codings. Not like, because if you will go with exponential or SMA, you will not find this one. If I'm going with the 9 moving average, this is 9 moving average. The 9 moving average is running here. Okay. There is a slight change, but not too much different. But in a simple manner, you can assume that okay, these two are moving average lines, and when
Mm-hmm.
they will be of lime and green color, because I didn't put the same color, because just for the differentiation, I need c- two lines with the lime and green. You can do it by yourself. If you want,
Yeah.
if you
Yeah.
like other colors, you can change it here.
Yeah.
There
Yeah.
are options.
Okay. Right.
VWAP is here. If you are putting the VWAP, we have already discussed with the VWAP ABCD trade. So VWAP is also here. The price broke, reclaimed again. If I am switching off this fast and these lines, if you will ask me, okay, I don't like this smart line, I want my line color is suppose projected line. I will i will i will i will change the name for you, whatever name you want. But in that case, I need to go with the coding. I will just change the color from smart to project line, anything. Okay. So if someone of you want to change anything in the names, you can ask me, I will change for you. Okay. So the okay, one another thing, what I did initially, I put my today's opening and London open, because London market opens at 3 o'clock. So this line, suppose this is 3 o'clock, okay, as per Eastern time. So if I will replay this and I will come here at 3 o'clock, so these two lines is already here. One is London open, because at this candle, because this is 2 minutes, so if I will go with 1 minute, at 3 o'clock exactly, the price, the line will start by itself. This is London opening time, and this today's open is basically, there will be two things for the futures. For the forex will be different. I will tell you another things. For the futures, this blue dot lines will start automatically from 6 p.m., because the futures market opens at 6 p.m. I'm just taking it out so it will be easy for you.
February usually trade in the futures market?
I cannot hear
Or
you.
you
I cannot hear you.
can
Who is
hear me?
talking?
Yeah, this is Noman speaking.
Yeah, no one.
Yeah. So you trade only in futures, or you trade in stocks also?
Well, I trade only two things: futures and sometimes momentum stocks with the news.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Because I want to take my profit or I want to take my loss. I want to sleep well. I don't take positions. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Suppose if
yeah,
you
yeah.
suppose if you have bought 200 options of Tesla, and what the
Mm-hmm.
for or the leap means you are buying with the means after 1 month, after 2 months expiry. Okay, or might be more. Munir is the champion of options trading, so he can tell you more. So if I am buying leap, if
Mm-hmm.
and the stock went against my trade because I was thinking that from 200 Tesla will go up, but the
Mm-hmm.
Tesla is coming down and I bought the leap. So I have two options. Either I will close my trade and take my loss,
Mm-hmm.
and if I bought the leap for after 1 year and still I have 6 months, suppose. Or
Mm-hmm.
second option is this, that I need to wait other 6 months. If the price will come above 200, there is no chances you will be in profit, because the thing is that the time has already passed. After 10
Mm-hmm.
months you are crossing 200, and so 10 months have been passed, your time has been decayed a lot. So might be the price needs to come at 230 level for the break even.
Break even, yeah.
Okay, so be careful. If you are holding any position, be careful, because you are sleeping in the night. And
Mm-hmm.
if Russia bombard Ukraine again, if NATO will involve, what will happen? If China will try to
Yes,
bombard
Taiwan.
Taiwan, what will happen? You are sleeping. When you will
Yeah.
wake up, then you will see, oh, market has gone down. Where is my trade? Oh my God, what happened? At least this drop. Suppose this is the drop, and suppose this is a drop of suppose 200 points. What you will
Mm-hmm.
do? You don't know. You didn't put your stop loss.
Yeah.
So go every time, think about the worst. Okay?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So every time think about the worst.
Mm.
So what is the
So,
cost of buying the future, the one you are mentioning? It's is $3,800, or it's like you pay some similar amount, like $50 to buy one or two futures, something like that. I never did futures, so I'm just
Yes,
asking.
actually, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Okay. So my brokerage is AMP Futures. Okay. And
Mm.
for the ES contract, they are giving me that, okay, from $50, you can start your miss your 1 point is $50. Okay.
Mm.
1 point is basically 4 ticks. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 is basically 1 point. So 4 ticks is your 1 point, and one tick cost you $1,250. So suppose if I bought if I bought at right now, the price is 3913.75. Suppose I bought at 3912.75. Suppose if I bought here, and if I sell here at 3913.75, this is 1 point. So I can take the profit of 1 point, and the 1 point profit is $50. But the brokerage will charge me some commission. So here I have
Mhm.
$4.2. $4.2 means total 4.2 for complete one trade in and out. So from $50, I will give $4.2 to the brokerage, and I
Mhm.
can take the remaining. This is the 1 point of the futures. But how much is the total amount I need It is, I think, right now, currently they are charging $400.
So how much will you pay to get one future for, let's say, 39
$4.2.
one? No, no, no. Like in terms of buying it, like you pay $3,900 to own the future,
Yeah, minimum
or you
amount
just,
this you are asking?
yeah, how much you have to,
Yeah,
Yeah, I
so
think he's
you
asking
should,
a $400, right?
yeah, so
The
minimum,
minimum amount.
yeah, minimum
oh,
amount you should, yeah, yeah, carry on, Onkar, sorry.
no, no, yeah, exactly same
Yeah,
question. Like how much money you
yeah,
should be
means
having in your
yeah.
account to buy
I
this?
think it's $400 for one contract for years.
Yeah,
$400 one
yeah. So
contract.
you
Okay.
need to have at least $400 in your account to trade one contract of ES. This is basically ES futures. There is
Okay.
Yeah,
another thing.
400. I'm sorry, 400 US dollars.
Yeah, 400 US dollar. Thanks, Anka, for correcting. This is not Canadian
Okay.
dollar. This is 400 US dollars. So,
Okay.
Shibai, how much is the, sorry to bother you here. What's the commission for the micro ES? How much is the charge
micro, I
commission?
think I don't do micro too much, but I think $1 something. I think. Onkar, can you correct me if you?
Yeah, like same. In ES is 12.5 and micro is 1.25.
No,
No,
no, what's the commission?
yeah,
What's
commission
how
is
much the
four
commission?
point two
Yeah,
dollars,
commission
four
is
point two dollars.
1.25. Yeah, and they will charge some extra fees. Mean it will be around 1.5 to 1.6.
For
So
MES.
1.5 would be for the micro, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the profit taken would be around $5 per contract, one tick, four
Yeah.
ticks.
Yeah, that's right. So it's like 10% of the regular one. Micro is
Yes, you
10.
can say that. Yeah,
Yeah.
10% less.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. But if you are holding the position, your maintenance margin is $10,600. Suppose I am in a trade. Okay. Suppose I am in a trade right now after 5 o'clock. So if I don't have more than $10,600 US dollar in my account, the computer, their system will automatically kick me out. I will be out from the trade. Either it will be in a profit, either will be in a loss. And if I will do it two times, they can they can penal they can penalize me with some amount. Maybe they will ask that okay, you have broken our rules, so you need to pay $1,000 or 2,000 like this. So if you don't have this much amount in your account, try to close your trade around 445. Why I am saying 445 or 440 or before this? Because might be your computer will hang. Okay, might be you will receive any emergency call. Okay, might be something will happen in your home, you just forget. Okay, so try to close your trade. Don't close in the last second. Some people, what they do, they are looking the seconds. Okay, it is, suppose it the market is closing at 2:30. They are thinking, oh, this is the market, I will close at 2:58. No, what will happen if my mouse will not work? Okay, so every time think about the worst. if you are if you are doing the trading, think about the worst. But don't think like FOMO. Okay, that okay, market has run, oh, I lost my trade. No, don't think about this. Think that okay, if I will be in loss, how much loss I can take. Okay, if you don't know, if you are fighting with a wrestler, if you don't know the strength of that wrestler, you cannot win. If you don't know his weakness, you cannot win. Okay, some people think about the strength of the other person, and some people think about the weakness of the other person. If you don't know their strength, if you don't know their weakness, you cannot win. Okay, so think about the worst thing. What will happen if the trade will go against me? What will happen if my system will break down? Then in that case, you need to call the brokerage. Okay, you need to go with over their helpline. So every time you have you have their phone number in your favorite list, because might be the might be there is a glitch, okay, and might be the trade is going against you. You are not able to close the trade through your system. Then in that case you need to call them, and you need to verify your identity, and they will close the trade for you. Okay, so if suppose what happened last time, not this time, not over this news, uh, might be I think 2 3 weeks ago. So if okay, so if there is a news like here 8:30, okay, so if you are doing trading and if you are just going with the market orders and you press shift B, uh, okay, I'm not connected with the system right now. So if you are trading shift B and you are going with the market order, so what will happen? If you are thinking that you will enter at 38:30, suppose if the price is here, okay, and you want to trade at this level 3822, if you are going with the market order, might be they will not put yourself in the trade because the news is coming at at 8:30. So might be they will enter you are in that you are doing the buying trade, so you are thinking that okay, this level is really good. Why this level is good? Because I have my POI here, okay. Why POI? Because the red candle is breaking, is means the this green candle is taking the liquidity of this red candle. Another thing, because I need more confluences. If I switched on the levels, I
Shoaib, sorry for interruption. Can we just stop here, take a 15-minute break,
yeah, sure.
and then start with PO? So in this way, we can break the recording as well. So it will be in a, like a small videos. It's already one and a
Okay,
half hour.
yeah, yeah. I have
What
already
do you
stopped
say?
in between because I was thinking it was too long and then I restarted. Anyway, but it's good that we can have some
Yeah, and the focus
snacks.
of the subsequent session should only be on the POI and
Yeah,
the order block.
Fibonacci. Yeah.
So it will be, yeah, and Fibonacci. So it will be easy to understand.
Okay.
If
Okay,
everybody
guys.
is okay, we can take a 15-minute break, 250, come back and then continue.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you at 2:50. Okay.
Yeah.
You can give any stock example with start looking how you can start looking this thing which in which time frames
Yeah.
and with day trade. That
Yeah.
kind of example, if you give me,
Yeah,
not
sure.
all.
No, no. I
Yeah.
have already mentioned in my presentation that if you will, did you get my presentation?
The slides. Yeah.
Yeah, the PDF format. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So, okay, give me a sec.
Like it just be any random stock like which is high liquidity or something. When
Yeah.
you explain this one, after that, like when you explain everything and any stocks you can pick,
Mm-hmm.
and just I want to see like as you're doing day trading, as to see how I can start looking and which points, and after that you can ending with the Fibonacci level. And I just have a little bit confusion with the levels, like uh, I don't know. Right now, I need to ask, or I need to wait for the people that comes. It's better, I think.
Yeah, miss, from where you need to draw the Fibonacci? Your question is this?
No, no, I know how to draw, but uh, the levels, like because the way you are doing, I know you know everything, but
No, I
at
no, no. For God's sake, please. Miss, I just want to say one word. Okay,
yeah,
every time why my session is long, because what I am trying, whatever I know, I need to deliver. This is my responsibility to deliver
that's
all
good.
of you. That's my thinking. That's the only interest I have.
No, that's
Because
good.
because
That's what
I don't want whatever losses I have taken, God forbid
nobody
others
takes.
will take.
No, that's very good. That's very appreciable. And I'm just very thankful to you at that point, like to be learning point of view. Like I'm just waiting for that aggressively to ask you and learn from you, because you just the beauty of your teaching is you go beyond of that. Like you tell everything which we didn't find anywhere. That's the main thing. That's why we ask you without any fear. Sometimes maybe you think that they're asking some basic question, but it's basic sometime. But I'm just everybody confused some points. Like that's why you are trying to clear, right?
Yeah.
So it's very appreciable. That's why I
Thank
asked,
you.
like, I'm confused where, when you, because still I'm a little bit confused about the points of interest and block order, and then, but now maybe it's clear when you start telling again,
Yeah.
and at the end, just be give any stock example, then
Okay. No,
like
no,
for doing.
we will go a couple of stocks like the
Okay.
yesterday momentum stocks, because I what I will tell you what I am doing. Okay, if I don't know, I will tell you that, oh, I didn't do anything, I don't know about this much. Okay, this is my
Yeah.
screener. Okay, I will tell you how you can preset this screener in your trading view. This was the momentum stock, it ran, where you need to put the stop loss, how you can trade, where you will find this ticker. Okay, everything, because I am not doing anything. This is, can you see my whole screen?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if everyone is here, then we okay,
We
just
can start.
just let me know. Okay, in the end,
Okay, I
because
will.
I have already mentioned in the momentum stocks, the last one.
Okay, I will remind you, and
Yeah.
mashallah, like it's very very good lessons from you,
Thank
and
you, sir, much
you
appreciated, just
are
need the
always
force.
helping. Shah bhai, always helping. That's the God bless you and for us to
No,
learn.
no, 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 just because I love to hear the questions. Okay, I really love, because I want to learn from the questions.
We have talked it on the phone like before. You asked me to ask a question, nobody's asking. So the thing is, now I'm just a little bit getting in, like for your learning point of view, you telling us. Now there's a question coming in my mind, so now I can ask the
Yeah.
question, and so that's the point I was waiting for. That like we basics clears, then you go a little bit further. Like so that's I was waiting for sessions from you, and then we will go from there. Where I confuse, I will ask you. Sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The first step is almost always the difficult step.
Difficult.
Shoaib, I have a question about order block. When you draw that block, so you was following that the length of that hammer needle of a hammer candle. I mean,
Uh,
I'm referring to the. Actually, I raised my hand at the beginning of the session, but I think he was busy. But
no, I was not busy. Miss, I didn't get miss. It was my mistake. Okay.
it's okay. It's okay. That's fine. I will
So
just clarify when you draw, like when how what's the criteria to find order block?
okay. So
That's
everyone
the.
is here. Can we restart again?
Mhm.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please go ahead.
We are starting. So okay. So actually, okay. I want to go through that. Okay.
Uh, Shoaib bhai,
Yeah.
it's Omkar. Sorry, I'm just interrupting you. I have one question for the new things. Like, I have some friends, okay, and they are totally new, means they don't even know the candlesticks patterns, nothing else. And I showed your last video. I just recorded the last session video, 5 minutes, and I showed them. They are very impressed from you and your training skills. Is it possible you can make a group of 5 people, 5 persons, and you can start giving training from the ABC of the trading?
Yeah, we can do this thing. I had in my mind. I also wanted to discuss this thing with you, and because I'm telling you the truth, there are some other people who wants to do, because
Yeah,
in
means
one session,
yeah. Then, mhm. Yes,
Ankar, you cannot learn everything. Means these
yeah, yeah.
things
We can't learn. This is the thing.
you
Means if I'm totally new and we are exactly on the order blocks, means that is the highest level thing in the trading, right? And
yes.
who the guy who don't even know the candlestick pattern or the Fibonacci level, then it's so hard to understand these things too.
Yeah, we can go through that one. I
Yeah.
agree, because I have other more people who is trying to contact me, but every time, because the time, I only have weekends for my family, and you know that a lot of
Yeah, yeah.
things to do on these days. And because I'm really sorry, and I'm really sorry from you guys, because you guys always
No,
ask
that's
that, okay,
fine.
do the session of 2 hours, complete the session in 2 hours, but I always continue continue speaking.
Yeah, it's so hard to complete the sessions
Yeah,
in
because
this much
these things you
lot
cannot
of
cover. Yes, you cannot
yeah,
cover in one session, two session, three sessions. These are the 2 3 months course. Means if
yeah.
we
It
will do on only on weekend, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, means 8 hours in a month. I think it
yeah,
will cover in 2 to 3 months.
yeah, yeah.
So
Is
yeah,
it possible we can start this
yeah,
one?
it is possible.
Okay.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
possible.
Yeah.
Thank you. Then we will decide the things
Yeah.
and I will tell them to. Then you can group the persons.
No, you can group the persons. I have other persons.
Okay.
So what we can do,
Okay.
if suppose if there are 10 persons, so in one session, in one day, Saturday, we can do 5 people group, and on Sunday
Hmm.
we can do other 5 persons. So in
Yeah.
2 3 months, at least 10 persons will be able to trade, or at least they will
Hmm.
start making money in the paper account.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Shoaib. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. So Nuria, sorry, so you were asking that if you am I'm looking for the candlestick patterns, hammer candle or bullish candle or anything. So yes, I see, but I never discussed this thing in this session or in the previous session, that this is the bullish candle, or this is the bearish engulfing candle, or this is the hammer candle. Because most of the times the beauty of order block, or if we will go one step ahead, the beauty of price of interest block is this, that you don't need to worry about which candle is forming at that moment. Because why I am telling you, because in 1 minute, if I am looking this candle, suppose this one, this bullish candle, which is breaking the previous low and it is coming down. Okay, this is bullish candle. I am not saying any word over for this candle. In 1 minute, this candle is this. If I will see this candle in 5 minutes, okay, basically this is one candle, and what was the candle I was looking was basically from here one, two, three, four, up to this candle, from this candle to this candle. These were the 5 candles which we are looking in one candle here. Do you want to understand? Are you understanding with me? Because this is the only candle which I am looking. But in that 5 minutes, I am looking 5 different candles. Even this candle, I think, bearish, bullish pin bar type of candle. Okay. So for order blocks, frankly speaking, I don't want to look which candle is making, which type of candle is making in that time frame, in that order block. I am looking only that, okay, if I am getting the price piercing, the previous low is piercing or liquidating with the next candle or no. If this is happening and my Fibonacci level is giving me any level, I am putting the stop loss and I am getting myself in the trade with my defined stop loss. Okay, so because if I am trading in 1 minute, I am looking this bullish candle. If I am looking with 10 minutes, might be I am getting the bearish candle. So my mind is diverting. But the powerful candles are these. If you are looking daily candles, if you are looking 4 hour candles, if you are looking 1 hour candles, because those are more powerful as compared to lower time frame candle. Or if you see LTF candles, lower time frame, HTF is higher time frame, LTF is lower time frame. Okay, and if you are looking only TF written, that is time frame at any given time frame. So you can see, but I am not looking. But it is good to see, because I am just looking my levels. I am satisfied with my levels. Okay, I'm not showing any here, any indicator, no indicator is here. I'm just going with the price action, and with the price action, if you will be used to use these things, you will be more comfortable. If you will ask me that, okay, if I'm adding this indicator, so I'm okay, initially I will go with the indicator, obviously, then I will just add for the reconfirmation. Why reconfirmation? Like if I am looking that, okay, so we are starting the order block, okay, so if I am looking that, okay, this was my high, previous low, and this was my high, okay, here is this area, this high is higher than this high, so this is my high. Now I am looking, I have done the reversal, the price is going away from me, from here it is going away, it broke the 61.8%, I didn't find any rejection, any reversal, but at 78.6% I found the reversal. So 61, like I told you that the profit takeout is 150, 161, 180, 178.6, 188.6. So the reversal is 50%, 61.8, 78.6, 88.6. But the most powerful reversal is from 23.6 and 38.2. If the price is coming down, it will not break like here. If you see, if this is the area, if I am looking only this chart, if the price is reversing from 38.2%, then there are more chances it will again retest the previous order block or the previous high. Price went up, rejected from that place. So what I needed to do, I can see that, okay, beside the Fibonacci, I'm getting out the Fibonacci. The high of this candle is, watch here, the high of this candle is 3870, and the high of this candle is, oh sorry, high of this candle is 3876.25, and the high of this candle is 3869. Oh, sorry, 3876.25, 3876.25. So both levels are same. There is no difference. So what I can do, I can mark the bigger candle as my order block. There is no price of interest. Okay. And I will wait for the next order block or the next candle which will break this price of interest. If you see, there is a price of interest here, because this is going towards the bullish trend, but the red candle has the higher high as compared to the previous green candle. So this liquidity of the candle of this green candle is fulfilling by this red candle. So I can see, okay, this is my new order block, which is basically my price of interest. Is there any other price which is coming inside this area? No. Now I want to add one indicator. I am not, I'm basically, there are some problems with this default indicator. Basically, what is the problem? I can tell you that I am not getting the moving average line, but we are not considering the moving average line right now. This indicator is RSI, relative strength index. This upper band, the red line is 70, and the lower time frame, lower line is 30. The middle line is 50. So we need to wait for the price to make divergence. What is divergence? Okay, if you see, the price is making almost the same level. Okay, only how many points? 1.25. That is 3876.25, and the new one is 3875, almost one point. Okay, but if I switched on the indicator RSI, what you will see here, if you see the numbers here you will see some numbers. So at this level the number is 77. And at this high, which was the highest point, the number is 68, almost 7 points difference. So the price is making almost same level, but the RSI is trying to go bearish down. Means the strength of the market is trying to go down, but the price doesn't want to go down. Okay, if we will come in the 5 minutes chart, it will be more clear. If you see the same area, now you will see how much is the difference. Okay, at this point is 81 here, 81, and at this point it is 69, 69.5, almost 11.5 points, but the price is making almost same high. So market strength is trying to go down, but the price is not trying to go down. But in the second moment, the price broke all the structures, previous low, and then again previous low. So market came down. So if we will come back again in the 1 minute chart, because I make the trade with 1 minute, and so the confluence also came by the RSI. There's a second. But where is the confluence with my order block? The order block confluence is this, that the price went inside the price of interest POI area order block, and from there it rejected. How it rejected? If I will go with the another thing, that okay, this was my higher high, then higher low. The price make the higher high? No, the price didn't break the previous structure. Price didn't break the previous structure and make a new lower low, because this low is lower than this low. And again, did the price break the previous structure? No, the price again break another structure, this low. So there are two lows broken at this moment. The first one, you can say this is the this price didn't break. This is the first one. Okay, and there is another. This is the second low. Okay, are you guys with me? Hello?
Yeah, sure, bhai.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So the price broke two change of character. The price changed its character two times. First time and second time. You are not in a trade. Okay? Don't make any trade right now. After this two structure breakout, you need to wait for the retesting. Which type of retesting? I am waiting for the retesting that the, because this is the second break. Okay? Please, I'm making a vertical line here. This is the second break. The first breakout is here, lower low. The second lower low, which is here, it is breaking. Before this second breakout, what is the highest candle? This is the highest candle. Okay. So I am marking this candle is this as a this circle. This is my inducement area. If the price will come in this candle, I am making another thing. So first I make the order block, because this was the highest candle before the bearish trend. And this was also the POI, because this green candle is breaking this red candle. Now I have another confluence that this is also my inducement, because before the second breakout, what is my high? This is the high. Now there is a third confluence came. So now I will wait for the retesting. The price needs to come in this area. If the price is coming in this area, I can go with the sell. And you guys can see, once the price hit this area and rejected from that area, if you can see this candle, you can also sell below this candle. Okay, if you are not in a trade, you can also sell below this candle. Guys, can you just hold on? Important call is coming. Just hold on, please. So where were we? Okay, so what I found that okay, this is my level from where the price came down. It broke the first lower low, then it broke the second lower low. It didn't miss. We are just talking about the change of character. We are not talking about the break of structure. Okay, there is a difference in between the break of structure and change of character. Suppose if this price will break and the market will go up like this. Suppose if this price will break, this higher previous high will break, market will go like this, then what will happen? This is your break of structure. Okay, or we say boss. In short form, if anybody will say you, okay, where is the break of structure? The break of structure is here above this candle, retesting and then price is going up. Okay, but where is the change of character? Change of character is here, because this was the lower low, then price didn't make the sorry, high low, price didn't make the higher high, then it broke the previous low, and then again it broke the second low. Okay, so or this can be your low. Okay, so if I will, I'm just, it is just near, so I'm just assuming this was the low. So now the price is going back again, it is retesting the POI. This is your POI line, this is your POI block, the previous green block. I made another block just to show you that this was the inducement. So I have 3-4 confluences right now. What are these 3-4 confluences? First, my low, this is was my high. The price is not breaking the previous high, the price is not closing above this order block, which is my last order block. Price just broke a little bit. If you see this block, this green line, if you see this green line, the wick is a little bit broken, but it is not closing above. Okay, my third so first is previous high didn't break, the second is previous order block didn't break, the third is already price has been chalked, changed the character, and now it is going to retest. And the fourth one is my inducement is filling, means the previous high before the second chalk, previous high is this one. So I was waiting for the trade, and what I will do, where is my trade areas? Once the price will touch here hit this candle, I will enter myself in the trade. This is why my selling point. Okay, and my stop loss will can be above this order block or above the previous high, because they both these areas are near, so I can put my stop loss here for the safe side. Okay, or my target will be same. So if I will see that the price is coming down, so my target is same, 50% or 61.8%, most probably 61.8%. My target full. Suppose I put, without any hesitation, if I put my level here for the target, I don't want to go any nitty gritties. What will happen with the market? Might be the market will go more down. Okay, go down. I have already taken my profit. So against what risk? This is my risk, and this is my target. Okay, 1 is to 5.25 or 1 is to 5, you can say. So before entering into the trade, I know my stop loss, and everybody should know this thing. Just practice every day. See the chart. Okay, see the chart if you are looking at your dearest friends, because if you don't know about your dearest friend or your best friend, if you don't know his beauty, means the friendship will not go long. Okay, so just treat the chart as your friend.
Shiva, I have a question.
Yeah.
What's the difference between the point of interest and the order block?
Okay, good question. The last candle before the bearish. Okay, how can I say this is bearish? Because the market break the structure, as I told you. Okay, this was the high, this was the low, this was the high, then this structure or this structure first broken here. Okay, after making high means almost the same height, double top, it is breaking the previous structure, change of character. Okay, so here I can confirm that now this structure has been broken. Sorry, this market has changed the character. So the last highest candle, which one? This one and this one. Okay, these two candles were the highest candles. So I can mark these candles for the safe side, not the red candle, just the green candle. This is my order block. In simple words, the last candle before the bearish trend. Where is my bearish trend? This is bearish trend? No, because didn't break the structure. Sorry, didn't break the character. This is my change of character. No, this is my change of character because it broke the previous character or previous low. And after breaking this low, it is making almost the double bottom. Then it is breaking again. Which area is broken? This area is broken. So I can confirm that this is my order block. In simple words. Okay. And another order block is here. Now this is my bearish trend. Why? Because it broke is this area, this lower low or high low, you can say. So after breaking this, once this price has broken this area, now these are the candles. So which was the highest candle before this? This was my highest candle. So this is your order block. Order block inside order block. Okay. And what is the POI? Did you understand, Khalid bhai?
Yes, I got the
So
order block.
yeah, until you don't know that the character has been changed, you cannot mark your order block. I cannot say, I can say this is my order block because before the bullish trend, this was my last bearish candle. This can be my order block.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's why you can see there are 3-4 candles within this area. Okay. So the last candle before the bearish trend is your order block for sell. The bearish candle, the last bearish candle is this one. So my order block is this for the buy. Understand? For the
Yeah.
buy, this is my order block. For the sell, this is my order block for the sell. So just mark some areas whenever you are trading. Just mark your blocks. Just mark these
But
things.
yeah, but what's the difference between the order block and the point of interest?
Okay,
That's my
now I am coming towards the POI. Okay. I found the order block here. So no confusion up to this area. Now I am looking for any type of candles which is any green candle because I am looking for the sell. So I am looking for any green candle which is lower than the highest candle. So this candle is green, but the next candle, red candle, is low. If you see the wicks, the green candle has the highest wick, but the red candle is low. Here, the green candle is the lower wick, means the highest point, and the red candle is more higher than the previous one. So I
Mm-hmm.
can just mark a line. Don't need to mark the line. Just for the clarification, I always mark the line. So now, which is the highest candle? Not the bullish one,
The bearish
the
one.
bearish one. Yes. So this is my price of interest area. So more chances that the orders will be placed here, not here. Understand? More chances. But for the safe side, you will put your stop loss a little far. But always you need to put your stop loss. Okay, please don't trade without the stop loss. So now this area has the more chances. I need a rejection from this area. Okay, I need a rejection. I found the rejection. If I'm okay, just for the I'm going 15 seconds. Okay, see what happened here. Where is that? Okay, this is 15 seconds. Okay, in 15 seconds, what you are looking? I am looking this candle. Can you see the POI? Bearish, but the green color candle top is not breaking the red color candle block high. This is my POI. Same area is testing again. Here is another POI. Can you see, guys? Okay, this is another. So this area has more and more confluences. Okay, so this area has how many? One, two, three. Okay, this candle is above than this candle. Okay, so this can be your, yeah, this is your PY because okay, right now I was looking for green candle top will, because the highest candle is this one. So this liquidity is will fulfilling by this candle, green candle. Okay, another place, sorry, this was the same highs, this is not here. Okay, so where are the more confluences? Bearish. Now I'm looking for any order block POI here above. So order block is just the candle which is the highest candle before the reversal trend. But the POI is basically the liquidity filling. Means the highest candle is of different type than the green candle. Means the highest point of the next candle is higher than the bullish candle. Here also liquidity filling because we were thinking that. But this is, you can say, okay, if you are not saying this, so you can mark this is the order block, inside order block. This is the highest candle before the bearish. So just mark this area. So this is more, there are more confluences in this area. And if you see the price came down, if you are 15 seconds, you have more clear trade. But don't trade with 15 seconds, okay? But if you are looking, suppose this is okay. Understand Khalid bhai, POI difference in the order block?
Yeah, so if the next candle is like in a sell trade, if the next candle is higher than the previous one,
Yes,
then
yeah, you are absolutely right. So if you are looking 1 minute chart, because my entry, I am looking 1 minute chart. So my entry, okay, I see, oh, this is the reject, this, the price came down, didn't break structure, went up, didn't break the character, came down, break the, change the character. So this is my area. Okay, by just visualize, I'm looking this area. Why? Because the POI is here.
Sure,
Simple
sure,
like that.
boy. Can you repeat that buy description again for the order block?
Yeah, I am coming there. Okay.
Just briefly.
Yeah. Here you can see. Just visualization. The price was coming down. Where I am getting some more candles, or you can say, oh my god, more consolidation. You are looking consolidation here. All the red candles, after all the red candles, you are getting some green candles. Okay, the last candle is not bearish. Like here, the last candle was not bullish. I marked the area. At the reversal point. Where is my reversal? Because this is not breaking high. It is not making higher high. Okay. So in one go, if I will see that, okay, this is the area in which the last candle bearish is not the red candle. The last is the green candle. I just mark here my POI. Okay. But why? Only with two confluences? No. Because there are two confluences. One is the order block. Second is the POI. Okay. Did it break the previous structure? This does any candle break the previous structure? No. So I can enter anywhere inside this trade. But another thing we want to make sure, what is my level? As we have already seen this chart, so this, because the price went up and then came down, okay, breaking all the previous highs. So that is my new high, that is my new low, and after new low the price is making another high, breaking the previous high. Okay, so this is my low for the Fibonacci, this is my high for the Fibonacci. Now the price is going away because I was here, the price is going away. I am in a trade because I have already sold from the POI, from the order block. Okay, and if suppose I sold here, until I will not find any green candles, I can easily make the trade, or in another case I can switch on the indicator. Okay, and because you can see why I am not emphasizing on the indicator, because I will get inside the trade here if I am looking this indicator on 1 minute, where I will see my entry here after breaking the red line. So I am losing this much points, 3867. If I suppose if I trade here, how many points I have already lost? 11. $550 I have already lose, which I could get if I enter here. So are you understanding why I switched off the indicator? Because I want to rely on my strategies, not, I don't want to depend on the same thing which I created. I made the indicator just for the novice traders. Okay, I am trying to teach you, because you don't need to any indicator, you just need your hands, your eyes. Your eyes are the best indicator. Means there is no camera physically till the means any mobile company made, our eyes are more better than those 26 megapixel or whatever is the common. Okay, so try to trust your strategy, try to trust your eyes, what your eyes are looking. Don't trust on your mind, or don't trust on your hand or on your heart. Trust your eyes. Trading what you are looking, don't trade what you are thinking, please. Okay, so I can easily manage my trade. The price came down around which time? After the opening bell. Okay, in the opening bell my stop loss can hit. Okay, what happened? Because there was a news at 8:30. Okay, I made the trade at 9:36. I am getting out from the trade at 61.8, suppose. Okay, 67.42. How many points? 25 points, $1,250. In simple words, it looks really simple. Oh, I needed to sell here, I needed to take out the profit here. But once you are in the real life trading, it's really difficult. Okay, I'm making the lines, I'm making the charts in the, suppose in this area. If you will ask me, okay, what is the level right now, where the market will go? Okay, I am looking that, okay, the price has already broke this order block. Okay,
Shiva, can you change the color of your crosshair a little bit darker, or maybe the line a little bit thicker?
which one?
Your crosshair.
Crosshair.
The
Okay.
yeah the yeah.
Mm,
It's a little bit hard to see, at least for appearance. Go to appearance, and then you will see
vertical
it there.
trend lines.
The crosshair, yeah, right there,
Oh,
yeah.
oh.
Make it dark,
Where is
different
the
color.
crosshair? Yeah, here. Is it okay?
You make it a different color, or like a
Okay.
color which stands out. It's a little bit easier this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Now is it okay? That's fine.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So if you suppose if you want to in the if you want to make any trade in the ending moment, suppose before the after the lunch break. Okay. So okay, I have nothing here. Okay. So what I'm looking the price trying to make up. Okay. Try miss don't try to stop the trade. You cannot stop the market. Let the market
Sorry,
run.
Shoaib bhai.
Yeah.
I think there is a glitch in that. My screen shows you are still on the crosshair. You just selected black.
Everyone uh, has the same issue or
I
can
see
you
the red cross here.
yeah can you see the I am circulating the cross moving the cross
Yes, I can see that. Yes.
Yes, it's red. Mhm.
And it's red.
Not.
You can
other than Onkar miss everyone can see okay what I'm doing
I
right now
think
okay tell me
I
what I'm doing right now.
in my screen you are still scrolling your crosshair red line.
Oh so I think you're
Just now you make one trend line,
yeah
blue line.
I made a trend line maybe 10 seconds ago.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is a glitch in my screen.
mm,
Or I will restart then.
yeah you can log in again no issue.
Yeah. Like,
Okay so suppose I have okay the market was running okay I have suppose I miss the trade okay market is running okay so how can I trade suppose in simple words in one go just make a trend line don't try to make the trend line from the top just just go with the last candles okay like here okay you can just make the levels here why I am making the levels from here to here because I am looking that this time the price didn't break the lower low. Are you with me everyone? The price didn't break the lower low and another okay give me a second actually I have some problem just a minute. Okay can you guys see the crosshair?
Yes.
Okay
Yeah. Yes.
so why I am making the trend line here why I didn't make the trend line here because I am looking every time the price is breaking the lower low and here I am looking the POI this green candle if you see the lower of this during the bearish trend the last candle is not red the last candle is green so this is my POI candle and the price is breaking the price didn't make the lower low so what is my preference my preference is that I want my POI okay I need my order block with the POI I got it the price broke the structure the price broke the trend line and the price also if you see what happened here the price didn't test it twice only one time it tested suppose this was the high one time it broke because this was the previous high first time it broke and here also it broke because this was the green candle then the price came down didn't make the lower low and now it is going up it broke then again came down so this is the area where I got the chalk okay then what happened price came down didn't make the lower low and again went up but I am already in the trade as per my Fibonacci if I will see Fibonacci there will be something I will show you right now okay I got the POI, I got the one chalk, and is there any chalk? Yes. Again, price was coming down, and you can see the price broke the structure character again. Okay, now price is trying to go up, but before going up, if you see here, the price just touch here, went up, broke this change of character which I marked already, then the price came inside. Now you have a better chance because you have already marked once the price was coming down and break the character two times. So you are just waiting for the confluence area. So you marked your order block, you marked your POI, you marked your change of character, you marked your trend breakout. What you are getting, Nuria, you are getting this doji candle. Doji candle means the price is undecided. Okay, but the doji candle body, but there is no body, you can see. But the doji candle, you can see a small body, just the line is above the 50% area, not below the 50% area. Okay, but we are not looking these small things. I'm just telling you that if you are looking the candles, you found the doji candle. Doji candle is undecided candle, and the price is already making the POI, already is in the order block. You are inside the trade because the price came down. And why the price came down? Where is the change of second character? As we were looking for the inducement. Okay, the price broke, came down. So what was the before this second change of character? If I am coming back again, this is my lowest candle. This was the first change of character, second change of character. Where is my lowest candle? Before the second change of character, if I came back, this is the lowest candle. Okay, so my inducement area is this. So if I have time, I can mark this inducement area. The price needs to retest, not 100%, not every time, but there are more chances the price will retest this area and will go back again. So if the price is coming down, I can mark this candle. So this is my, if I didn't enter first time, I have another entry. I will wait for the entry anywhere here I can enter myself, because my stop loss is just this one.
Shiva, where was your entry?
Anywhere during this green candle. What means after this green candle within this area, which I have already marked this order block. Okay. I'm removing this because this is my inducement candle. This is my inducement area. So more chances, or even 50%. Okay, assume 50%. 50% chances are there that the price will come back again to retest this area. Price came down. I am in the trade anywhere in this green zone. Okay, you can enter here just at the top. Okay. Your stop loss below the previous structure, because you are entering once the price is breaking this structure. Okay, once the price is here, what you can do, you can trail your stop loss below this inducement area, below this retesting. Now your stop loss is how much? 3 points. Okay, I will wait, and what I will do at the same moment, I will mark this high, I will mark this low, I will wait for the trade to come 61.8%. Okay, what is my profit takeout at this moment? If my entry is here, my exit is 61.8, so it is 1.2, 1 is to 2. But if I will take out 88.6%, because I want to trade with peace of mind. Okay, I am not greedy. I want to go more green. Instead of making more trades with the red area, means with the loss, I want to do 2, 3, 4 trades with the perfect levels. Not the perfect, everything is not perfect, but the probability, I want to take the favor of the probability. Okay, so this, if this is the zone, then I am 1 is to 3, means I am losing this much only. I know my loss. If you don't know your loss, don't trade. Okay.
Shrav, I
What
have a question
yeah.
here. So, to maximize your profit, is it advisable to keep moving your stop losses? For example, 61.8, when once it reaches there, could you move your stop loss to, say, close to 55%?
Yes, you can trail, obviously. Miss,
Okay.
I don't want the market will go up and then come back again and I am just sleeping. Okay, so
Okay.
because this is 1 minute time frame, so sometimes what happen if you are just putting your stop loss below the previous miss Fibonacci might be your stop loss hit. I'll show you again. If the price is going up, price is breaking this 50%. If I will trail my stop loss here below 38.2 means the previous Fibonacci level low, what will happen? The price came down and hit my stop loss. So in this case, what I needed to do, I needed to do one thing, that I need to put my stop loss previous this lower low. Now the price is making higher high and making higher low. So what is my previous low? This is my basically this is my previous low. So for the safe side, I can put my stop loss here.
No, that's true. But I think once it reaches your profit target, which was
Yep.
61,
Yep.
right? At that point, just to secure it, you can move your stop loss just closer, right?
Yes. Yes. Sometimes even I take the profit at 50% because sometimes consolidation happening like here. Okay, I am not sure what the price will do. I want to get out if I have work because I am green. Okay, $10. Okay, take the $10 from the market. Why you should leave the $10?
Okay.
Okay, so always trail your stop loss below the whatever you think better. You can trail your stop loss below the trend line. You can trail your stop loss below the previous low. You can or previous high if you are in sell. You can trail your stop loss as per the Fibonacci level. Okay, once the price is going, suppose if the price has run. Okay, so what will be my level? Because I mentioned here that 23.6, can you see the front page of the presentation?
I'm just seeing the chart.
Okay.
Only the chart, Shoaib.
Okay, so I also mentioned in the presentation second page that we will see the 23.6% or 38.2% reversal. Before this we were looking 61.8%, which when the market is dropping or when the market is going high. But when the momentum is bullish or momentum is really bearish, then you will see 23.6 or 38.2% reversal. Like here, if the price is low and this is my high, okay, this is my high, doji candle. So what happens here? The price didn't break 38 point because last time I told you the price should not break maximum 61.8% to go up. Okay, this is the same thing I am telling you right now. The price maximum should not break, the price should not close below 61.8%. Otherwise what will happen if this thing happens and there is no momentum? Then the price will do what? Price will go up, make higher high, price will come down like here. If the price is coming down and closing below 61.8%, then there are more chances it will go up towards the previous high, double double top, and then price will come down to test either 88.6 or again 11.4%. And if that 11.4% will achieve, what will happen? The price sweep out this liquidity, which was the previous liquidity. There will be two chances. Already the price sweep out, then the market makers, what they can do, what they will do, they already eat the stop loss because the traders put the stop loss previous this structure. Okay, what they will do, they will retest again and then make new higher high. Okay, and most of the times these things happen. Okay, but we have already taken out our profit. We know where is our stop loss, where is our profit target, so we don't need to worry. We are trading level to level. Okay, we are not entering into the trade just that the market is running, I need to enter in the trade. No, Once the price is testing, because this was the previous high, if you see, okay, and here you have already seen, because before that we were just looking the close candles for the POI. Now you are looking this main liquidity, because this was the swing high, this was the swing high, and again the swing high broke, the price already broke, okay. So the price has already broken this order block, okay. Price went up, broke the structure. If you are thinking, oh, it broke the structure and now it is coming down, I need to sell, just wait, just wait for the reversal. Why wait for the reversal? Okay, because it has already taken the liquidity, so please wait for the reversal. If I will not find any chalk, two times chalk, and my confluence, the inducement will not be sweep out or not retested, I will not go for sell. So this was the high, this was the high low. If you see, this is making the higher high, high low. This low broke, no, then trying to make higher high, didn't break the previous high. This time it broke the previous structure. Are we looking the second time chalk here? There is no second chalk, only one chalk, only here. This was the previous high, only here. This is the chalk only, there is no second chalk, okay. So what the market will do, more chances, more probability is this, and you can see dodgy candle just at the breakout level. So this was the undecided area, you have taken the profit at 88.6 or whatever you think better, you are waiting for second trade. So what I did, I marked the lower level of Fibonacci, I marked the highest level, because the price is coming now, I can wait. I am not in the trade right now, I am not in a trade right now, okay. What I am looking, there is a POI is here, no, this low, this low is 3898.5 and this low is 3898.5. So there is no POI, but I can see the last block is here, okay. It broke the previous structure, so my last candle, for the safe side, I can mark this whole green candle, but I am looking for the rejection or anything, okay. The price didn't touch, I am not in a trade, I am not in a trade right now. And one more thing, if you are looking, this is type of a small candle, so you can also mark the next candle for the order block. This last candle is this one, you can also mark this candle only, because this is the last bearish candle before the bullish trend, okay. But if the candles, because if you are looking the 3899.75, and if I will mark the green candle also, it is only 3900.75, just 1 point. So just mark, because all the rejection is here. If you see this green candle, this wick is the rejection, and the closing of this green candle is here. So just mark the whole two candles as the order block. But I didn't enter into the trade, because I was looking to enter just here, suppose at this level or a little bit ahead, but I missed the trade, suppose, okay, missed, no issue, don't get yourself in the trade. Now I am waiting. What I am waiting, I am waiting for the structure breakout. This was my previous structure, okay. This was my previous structure, the price broke the structure, came down, take all the stop losses whatever retail traders put it, because they were looking for sell here. They put the stop loss above this, suppose above, when the price is coming down, they put their stop loss here. So once the price is coming down, they were in profit, but the price rejected and went back, their stop loss hit. After, once the stop loss hit, what will happen, I will look for the same thing. At my highest point, I am looking for the same thing. Did I find it? Yes, I find it here. Okay, this is my no, sorry, not this is my POI. Okay, right? And where is my POI block or order block? This is the candle. Okay, this candle is my POI. There is no second chalk here. If you see, there is no second chalk here. The price is making higher high, higher low. Now I am going with only because the price has broke the structure. Price didn't break the second chalk here. So what I am looking, I am just going with the momentum. I'm just going with the order block. I'm just going with the POI. If this is your POI and at the POI you are getting this bullish pin bar or hammer candle, so what the price is doing, I am just waiting for this small trend breakout. This is a trend breakout. Price broke the trend even in 1 minute. Okay, this is your trend. Price broke the trend. Just enter here. Okay, above this level. This is your entry point for the safe side. And if you wanted to enter in the block wherever, okay, you are entering here, suppose. So what will be your stop loss, because the price is very near, and so you can stop, your stop loss can be below. Might be your stop loss hit due to this wick, due to this hammer candle wick or bullish pin bar, whatever you say. I don't know many names of the candles, so sorry from my end, but might be your stop loss hit if you will just put your stop loss at the block. So just put it a little bit near. Okay, or you can wait once the price is going up. Might be you will lose a little points, but at least you know that the market will run. Okay, so market is running, the market is reversing from 28 to 23.6 or 38.2. What will be your next level? The same. The same levels. What? 150 or 161.8, 178.6 or 188.6. Okay, just trail your stop loss below the previous structure and carry on your trades. Once the price is has reached, what happened here? Same thing. If you see, this is the highest candle, then price came down. This is the highest candle, then the price came down. Okay, so what is your, I'm not getting any POI here with the 1 minute time frame. So what is my order block? This the last candle is my order block. Okay, what happened? The price came down. If you see, because the whole area is my order block, because this is the whole area. Okay, the price is testing the higher high again. Guys, give me a second, I need to change my mouse. It's not, I'm just putting another mouse. Give me a second. So this is my order block because okay, why this is my order block? Because price is retesting again and the price has already chalk. This was my higher high, then the price came down, so it's already broken here. The price again came down, another chalk here if you see. Okay, now the price is going up. So what I will look, before the chalk, what is my highest low, means the high. This is the first chalk, this is the second chalk. If I will go back, then this area is my high. Okay, inducement area. Okay, so I have already marked the order block. So what I will be looking, I will be looking for the inducement. So this is high, which is the high, this is the high. So this is my high, and where up to which area the candle is taking this area, this one, okay, this area. So I am waiting for the price to come in this area. Okay, the price came exactly in this area. Initially it tried, it didn't come. Okay, next time it came and the price rejected from here. And now what you can do, you can do the same thing. Guys, just hold on please, sorry, please hold on. Okay, so what I did, now the price, this, okay, the price ran, and I will do the same thing. This is my high for Fibonacci, and this was the after the structure. So this is my low. I will go with 50 or 61.8, whatever. Market close at 4 o'clock here. Okay, at 4 o'clock I took my profit at 50%, because this was the bell ring around 4 o'clock here. So I have already got 50%. So still with this, the last movement trade, you can, if you are, if you enter anywhere here, okay, during the retesting. So this is the initial point where I needed to go inside the trade. So this is above the previous high, a little bit higher. This is my high, and this is my first target, because this is the last movement. So still you are 1 is to 3. So in this sense, you can enter your trade, you can close your trades. Just don't be greedy, don't try to push yourself in the trade. Let the trade come towards you, and you will find best trades. So whatever I am telling you, just you need to wait for the reversal, 2 times shock. Inducement is not necessary, but if there is an inducement, you will find better trade. Okay, so 2 times shock, 1 time shock, 2 times shocks, price went back again, price means liquid fired the inducement, the last candle, the last high before the second shock, and then price came down. Just take your profit, just take the profit, don't lead miss. Okay, what happened, I also miss, I always leave my profit on the table. Why? Because I don't want to go long. Is if I am green, I am looking for the just the rejection. Okay, first target 50 61.8, I am getting out. Now I will wait for second entry. Just make 3-4 trades in a day. Don't overtrade, because in the end what will happen, if you will overtrade, there are more chances that might be in the 2-3 trades you are green, might be the 4 trade or 5th trade, 6th trade, 7th trade, 8th trade will be in loss. Because now we are looking the profits. No, we only need to look the charts, not the profits. Any question till here? Hello.
One more thing. More trades means more commission. You pay more commission if you take more trades. That's
Yes, brother. But the thing is this, that if you are making suppose $200 in a small trade, so $4.2 is nothing.
I think, yeah. Yeah, I mean, what I'm saying is that if you overtrade and you lose your profit and you also do pay commission, that happens to me many times, you know.
Yes, but in this case, that's why we need to see the charts. Okay, that's why I always emphasize that don't look your profit, don't look your commission, don't look your loss. Just see the chart, just go with the best entry. Okay, if your entry is at good level and you are minimizing the stop loss, automatically the profit will come in your pocket. You don't need to worry. Means just wait. If okay, okay, you open your computer, you see, oh, the market has already gone too much, oh, I cannot trade. Okay, okay, well, you, might be I will think also in the same way. But what I can do, okay, I can mark only, suppose if I was here, okay, what I can do, I can mark the highest point and I can mark the lowest point. Okay, and within this range I can mark the Fibonacci. Okay, or there is another way, but it is too high, already gone. So this is the swing high for till movement. I can mark here and reverse it because we have already seen. That's why I'm telling you, don't go, don't worry. Okay, so within, even for this range which I marked previously, I will show you one thing. If I will play, the price is coming down, it is not breaking this range. Okay, now the price is retesting and coming down. So at that moment, what you can do, just remove this Fibonacci, because there are several ways to draw the Fibonacci. This was my high, this was my low. Okay, I am waiting that okay, the price should not break 38.6 if the price needs to go above. Okay, so now my reversal area is here, because why I told you before, I can see easily my order block, but I missed the trade because it didn't came back to test the order block. I missed the trade. Okay, don't worry, I need to now I'm waiting for the higher high and then retesting. It's not necessary that it should test the previous high level, this level which is marked as 0 right now. It's not necessary. But what I can do, I can mark the order block once the price is coming down, and you need to do the same thing. Okay, what happened, the price broke the structure, coming down, and now I can see the order block where, okay, okay, this was my highest candle and then the price came down. So I needed to mark this order block, and I need to wait the price to come inside this area. Or secondly, once the price is retesting, I marked the POI. This was my POI candle, because the last bearish candle, red candle, was not below as compared to this green candle. The green candle was low and the red candle was up. So this I marked this. But I told you that sometimes you need to mark, because this was the high, this was the testing high. This red candle was retesting. It didn't break. So you can just go with a little bit cushion. You can give more cushion. If the price will come inside this order to order block, means in order block there is another order block. So then I will go in the trade. Okay, you are in the trade right now here. From this level, your stop loss is below the structure, below the previous. Okay, and then you can go. This time you have only 3.5 points stop loss, but you know this was your trade level. You didn't get yourself. Don't never get in the trade. If I am telling you that, oh, there is a trade, go in the trade. Why? You can see the chart by yourself. I am not guiding you well. Okay, I because my mental at that moment my mental health was not good. I was disturbed. I saw the wrong chart. I told you, "Oh, go inside the trade." Why you should go when I will ask from you? You can see the chart, you can learn the chart, you can read the chart. Go what you are looking. Okay, never go what others are looking. Okay, be patience, be disciplined, more and more paper trading. Okay, but always do the paper trading. What is means once you will put your actual money. If you are able to put $1,000, start the paper trading with MES, not with TS. Okay, with MES. That's the same chart, but your 1 point is not $50, your 1 point is $5, as we have already seen here. With MES, your 1 point is where is my 1 point is um, 1 point is $5 only. Okay.
Yeah, Shoaib bhai, MES is $5
Yeah, yeah,
and
but
ES is 50.
yeah, I know, but where it is written?
I think it's written in the micro here.
Yeah, only
Uh,
$40 you need for my micro.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
instead of
$40.
$400 for ES, for ES you need $400. So you can start this. Another good thing I will tell you. Okay, might be some of the guys know this thing, some of the guys don't know. Okay, so now you started paper trading. Okay, after 3 months you think that okay, now I am in a fair range. I have some discipline, I have some patience. I can wait for the trade to come towards me. Okay? Are you guys with me? Everyone?
Yes, Shoaib bhai,
Yes,
Okay.
carry
yes,
on.
sir.
So after three
Yes.
months,
Yes.
okay, good. So please with me, okay? I need more pump from your sides. otherwise otherwise I will think that okay, I'm just shouting and I'm not getting miss you guys are not getting anything. So punch me hard, okay? So once you are looking that okay, after 3 months, after 6 months, don't worry. You are not losing anything. Our scope is this, our priority is this, our aim is this, that once we will start the trading, our green trades should be more as compared to the red trades. Number one. But before that number one, you should know where is your stop loss. If you don't know your stop loss, please don't push the press button for the entry. Once you know that okay, now I am paper trading and I've already done 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, no issue. Why 1 year? I'm saying you will be thinking 1 year. No, I will start trading after 1 month. But suppose if you only have $5,000 to lose, and if you will lose in the second month, what you will do? You will not able to trade for the next 2 years. So once you will be good, once you will be a good judge, because I can judge, nobody can judge me far better than me. So you can judge yourself. Once your judgment is this that okay, now I have a patience guy or patience lady, now I can a little bit disciplined, I am good, then you can start trading. Okay, so okay, now what you can do, there is a website. Okay, there is a website, because this is only for futures. Okay, the website name is Lilu, L-E-L-O, I think, lilu.com. Okay, lilutrading.com. You can go here because you don't want to invest $5,000. Okay, you want to go over this website, or there are some others. Okay, there are some others. Here you can, what you can do, you can buy, suppose ba, 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 ba. I think they have changed. Okay, by this one suppose, but they how many trades they are giving? Yeah, 14 days. Okay, you can, but how many contracts? 12 minis, 3 minis, 8 minis. Give me a second, guys. Okay, this is 77 US dollars. You need to pay 77 US dollars, and you have 14 trading days. 14 trading days means 2 weeks, 10 days of trading, 5 days. And your trailing drawdown is $3,000. What does it mean? I tell you. And you need to give them the profit of $6,000 at least in 10 days. Okay. And you can do 12 minis, means at a time, instead of trading one contract, you can trade 12 contracts. Don't ever try to do this thing 12 contracts. Only trade with one contract. One contract is giving you 1 point, against 1 point you are taking $50. And if you will lose, if you will start doing with 12 contracts, what will happen? If 1 point move, you will lose how many? 12 5 is that? $600. So if you will lose $3,000, because initially they will give you a paper account for the 10 days. So right now I'm talking about the paper. You need to give them $6,000 in profit after 10 days of trading. So if you will lose $3,000 trailing drawdown, what does it mean by trailing drawdown? Suppose I am trading with 12 contracts. Okay. I took a sell at this level 39.20. I have 12 contracts. So after how much I will lose, in how many points I will lose $3,000? 5 points, if I'm not wrong. Why? Because 1 point is, with 12 contracts, 1 point is $600. Then again 1 point is 600, then 600, then 600, then 600. So 6 fives are 30. If I am losing $600 in one, with 12 contracts in 1 point, so I will lose $3,000 after 5 points, just 5 points, and 5 points move is nothing. Okay, so even if you are using this $77 package, you need to go with one contract. So what will happen? How this account will treat? If suppose you are here, if you are using their trades, if you are here, your entry is 3915, your exit is 3920, suppose. How much you got the profit with one contract in 5 points? Guys, how much profit you got?
250 for 5 points.
Yes.
One
So
contract.
yeah, so what happens? Your limit will be, trailing drawdown is, what will happen? Your, because you need to give them 6,000 profit. Okay, so now you are in the profit of 250. Okay, well, now you again make the trade. Your profit is $2,000, suppose. Okay, your trailing drawdown limit is still same, $3,000. So how it is working? Now you need to, after 1 day you are $2,000 up. Okay, after 1 day you are $2,000 up. Okay, what will happen next day? You again took beautiful trades, and you are again $2,000 up. How much you need to give them in 10 days? $6,000. Third day you took the trade, but unfortunately you took a loss, and you lose $2,000. Still you are up $2,000, but still you are up $2,000, but you have lost $2,000 from the $4,000 gain. Now your trailing drawdown came into effect, because you from after going to the maximum level, you can maximum loss $3,000. So after reaching to 2000 and plus 2000, 4000, what happened? You have lost 2000. So after losing 2000, where are you right now? You have only 1000 left to lose, because their trailing drawdown is only $3,000. Okay, but next day you did again really good, and now you took the profit of $2,000, suppose. So that minus 2000 and plus 2000, your trailing drawdown again will come to where? Zero. Means now, sorry, zero means 3000. Now you are again in that position that from here you can lose $3,000. But your profit is, what is your profit? Your profit is, your profit, you need to give $6,000 with the maximum drawdown of, so you need to go here up to 6,000 level. So now if you again took the beautiful trade, and on the ninth day you are in the profit of 6,000, you are not trailing drawdown limit below 3,000, means you are, obviously if you are profit from zero to maximize your profit up to $2,000, you are giving them $6,000 total, and your drawdown is not $3,000 reach. So but on the 10th day, what will happen? You just lose $5. Okay, now on the 10th day you are at 5,995, suppose, and the bell ring 5 o'clock, you didn't achieve $6,000. What you can do, I think you can request them and they can give you 1-2 days and you can increase your profit to 6,000. What will happen next? They will give you, and the platform is Ninja, not TradingView. They will give you Ninja trading platform, plus they will give you ATM key. ATM key means you can right click and then trade, and you can trail your stop loss, physical stop loss, like you can do in TradingView. But if you will buy the Ninja Trader trading ATM key, I think it is 1200 US dollars, because with the help of that key you can trade over the chart, like we are trading over the chart in TradingView. Otherwise you need to go with the buy and sell orders like here in this case. So if you will give them $6,000 profit in 10 trading days, what will happen? They will give you a real account. I don't know how they are giving, but you need to manage the real account and your amount. So that was your initial level, $100,000. You gave them $600,000, means $106,000 you gave them. After 10 trading days, they will give you a real account. And in that real account, what will happen if you are in profit? You will be 80% profit, you will take the 80% profit and you need to give to 20% profit to them. So you can trade, and that, but your trailing drawdown limit will be same. If you will give them the loss of 3,000, you will be out, you need to again purchase this. But if you are taking the profit after that paper account of 10 trading days, you can keep the 80% and you need to give them 20%. I think that's a good thing. Once you will be, after 3-4 months, 6 months, 5 months, 1 month, whatever you will think better, you can start trading with this. Okay, if you are losing, I think. If you are in Canada, you will be losing, I think, $100 or $110, whatever. This is US dollar. I think that's the best thing. But you will find, like Lilu, I think you can find some more platforms where you can do this same thing.
Shravan, is it only for futures, the Lilu?
Yes, I think it's only for futures, because yeah, I think you can dig more, but I think it is only for futures, because you can see micros. contracts, another minis contract. Okay, because one mini contract is basically 10 micro contracts, because $50 is equal to 5 into 10. That's why it is multiplied by 10. One mini is equal to 10 micros. Okay, so I think we have covered everything. Just one thing is remaining. We have covered Fibonacci, order blocks, POI, liquidity strip, inducement, trend breakout, ABCD pattern. We did the ABCD pattern. Now I'm moving towards the momentum stocks.
Example, any stock like
Yes,
how
I'm just the only part. If you see my presentation, that's the eight number momentum stocks. So up to now,
Sure,
is there
bhai.
any question? Yeah,
Sorry, can you just give a small explanation of ABCD again
yeah,
in this chart?
yeah.
Yeah, just one.
Can you see the chart indicator?
Yeah.
Okay, any other day. Come like here. Okay. So this is the chart. What happened at 8:15, 8:30 candles. Okay. So this is my high. Price broke the VWAP. Are you with me?
Yes, sure, bhai.
This is your A leg. This is your B leg. Price is retesting the VWAP. Did it break the VWAP? No. Now the price
No.
coming back again. This is your C leg. Did the C leg break this? No. Now I am looking for the entry. I am looking for any rejection below this area. This is your D leg. The price is below the D leg, and I need the price to below this D leg. Give me a second. I can make it. Okay. So this is my ABCD completed. Is there any good thing I am looking over this ABCD? Yes. I am looking this. Okay, ABCD. I am just removing this arrows. Okay. So you will see clear. After the breakout structure, I am looking A, B, C and D. D is not breaking the B area. Okay, this is my B high and this is my D high. Okay, so what happened? I was looking for the confluence. I just marked the order block. The highest candle before the bearish. So this is my order block.
Yeah, highest candle in the B area, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what happened, Onkar, if you see the same thing, the price is retesting several times this area,
Yeah, yeah.
because this was my highest candle. I didn't mark this red candle because red candle high is lower than the green candle. So I marked the whole candle. Okay. And one more thing. Can I mark my Fibonacci? So this was my low impulsive move. This is my retracement and this is my extension. Okay. If I have a patience trader, I can wait for 150% or 161%. Did the price went there? Did I achieve
Yeah,
the
it is.
target?
Yeah, 151, 151.61.
Okay, get out from the trade. Close your system.
Yeah, yeah.
What is your stop loss? If you enter inside, because I always told you that please take care of your stop losses. If my stop loss is here, what is my target? If the price is retracing, suppose if after this impulsive move, if your price is retracing, okay, get out from the trade. 1 is to 2.
Yeah, 150 is the best target too.
Yes, even if you are getting out 138, you are not losing anything. You are not losing anything. Okay, this is for
Yeah,
short
the
and medium.
ABCD pattern is almost same like the smart money concept.
Mm, yeah, but what I do basically, I want my confluences. Okay, after
Yeah,
the ABCD pattern, I am looking for the confluence.
Hmm.
Okay, with the POI, with the order block, with the Fibonacci, with the
Yeah, yeah.
trend. Even if you see the trend, okay, it is really clear. This is the wick. After breaking, if you see, this is the wick, the lowest wick, because or mark this one. Oh, I think I got
Yeah,
any.
it just picked the coin.
It break the structure within the. It break the structure within the order block.
Yeah.
A, B, C. It break the structure just at the order block. If you see this rejection,
Hmm.
and if I will just trying, might be if I will open the bar color, what is going to happening here? My entry is here. After okay, for the bearish, I forgot to tell you. Okay, for the bearish. For the bearish, you need to wait for the light red candle, pink candle. Okay, this move, I missed the move. So what is my entry? Within the order block, I am looking for the light color candle. This is the light color candle. What I can do, I can enter here. My stop loss can be over the top and I can trade until I will not find the candle, the green candle. Okay. Then again, wait for the light red candle. Acha, where is the my line? Okay, fast line. Once you are getting the light red candle, you can light means pink color candle. You can enter yourself every time. Every time, if it is double top light candle, you can sell here above stop loss. Okay. Light candle, you can sell here. This is light candle, you can sell here above stop loss. Price reversed, stop loss hit, no issue. Okay, enter again. Enter again below this red candle, stop loss above this structure. Sorry, okay, enter here, stop loss above it. You are not losing anything. Okay, again the price came up. This is light color candle, pink candle. Enter below the pink candle, stop loss above the candle and trail until it will not reach this dark green candle or two green candles, light one dark, one lime color, or break the line. Okay, another, because it is just at the line, so don't trade here. Okay, now wait. Below, you got the light color candle and next candle are also dark, so you can enter anywhere here. Stop loss above this candle. You are getting less points, but you are not losing anything. Light color candle, entry here, this one, stop loss above it. Okay, then light color candle, light color, I got the red light color, but I didn't, it didn't break the line, so I'm waiting for the break of line. After the light color candle, the line is breaking here, the candle is breaking here, I can put my stop loss above it and I can trail again, same thing. So carry on like this way. Here also another trade, light candle with red candle, anywhere or even here, and this is your stop loss. Understand? But don't rely on your eyes. Okay, this is the helpful thing. Okay, I'm not selling anything here. Okay, I can sell. I have some customers, they are using the website, they have already means subscribed. You can see if you are interested the pricing and everything, but obviously for our group this pricing is not same, it will be less cheaper. If you want to use it, you can go there and purchase. If you want to contact me, you can contact me. Okay, it's up to you. But for now, if no one has, if someone doesn't have the indicator, just ask me, because it is free for the next 3 months. Okay, so momentum stocks is, suppose I am going Webull. I'm opening Webull. Just this is the free desktop version. Okay, so previous pre-market high, can you see the V-bull screen?
No, I'm seeing the chart only.
Oh,
Yeah, no, not
wait,
yet.
wait, 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 wait.
No, we're in a trading Houston.
Okay, share window and V-bull. Can you guys see V-bull? Hello guys, can you see the V-bull?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, we can.
Okay, so what you can do before the market open, you can come and just this is the I think default page. Just go with the pre-market, okay, and you will find some tickers. You can adjust the price by going in the settings. You can find a lot of Webull videos, so I'm not going through the settings. Just telling you that okay, these were the some stocks like SPRB, CTMX, MGM, MCVT. Just go that what is the news in the pre-market, like I'm going with SPRB. Okay, so what I will do, I will come again, so I'm stopping sharing and I will
It's not changing.
no, I'm changing, give me a second. So SPRB, okay, can you guys see the chart? Hello?
Yeah,
Yes, we
sure.
can.
Yeah, CPRP.
Yeah. So there is no means the market fell down. There is no breakout. You can see there is no breakout at this level. This was your order block. The price didn't break. This is your order block. Why this is my POI order block? Because the green candle was liquidating this area. Okay. Now guys understand why I'm defining this area. Okay, the green candle is breaking, not breaking the red candle. The red black candle is high. The price fell down. Okay, fell it down. How much it fell down? Okay, I can mark the Fibonacci. This was my low, this is the low, this was my high. For the most areas, what I will do, if the price is making the lowest point, it should be near to the 88.6%. If it is 88.6%, then I will go with the reversal. I will watch for the reversal. Okay, so this is my 88.6%, and if I'm getting something, then I will go in the trade. If I will find something, this is 5 minutes. If I didn't find anything on 5 minutes, five, because I'm looking for POIs. Okay, order block is here, but I'm looking for the POIs because the market has dropped too much. So I will not enter. I will if I will not find any POI. I didn't find any POI. I will not trade this ticker. Okay, I will not trade this ticker. Another ticker, if I am looking over the Webull, is CTMX. Okay, what happened with CTMX? The same thing. They didn't break the order block. Price fell down. Okay, I'm just looking for any positive breakout because we are looking for the MGAM or go with AEHR. Okay, if I will see pre-market high, pre-market low. So after once the market has break the pre-market high, this was the my pre-market high. Okay, this area, this line is my pre-market high. Price break the pre-market high. No, sorry, not this one. Sorry, this high. Pre-market high at 928. This was my high. So price broke the pre-market high. So this sticker it can be good. Okay, I am looking for the entry. So what will happen? The market. What was the news? Is there any news for AEHR? These are the technology movers, pre-market movers. Okay, there is okay. 2 days ago, test system earnings triple as sales jumps in fiscal content. So this was the good news. If you see, if I will click this, you can see the news and you can read the report. I don't want to read the report. I'm just going with the okay. what they are giving me, test systems earning triples as sales jumps. So their earning has triple. Okay, on 5th of January. So before, on Thursday it means. On Thursday they had the good news. At which time? Okay, look at the time. Sorry. Look at the time after market, 1643. So this can be the pre-market mover. If you have the capacity to trade in the pre-market with the IBKR, IBKR is allowing you in the pre-market. So you can trade. Okay. So we can see in the after, because the news came 1614 here, 1643 like here. After that the market moves high and it broke the pre-market high. So what I am looking? I am looking for the reversal. The price high, and where is the low? In the pre-market, my low is here and my high is here. I am looking for the same thing. Any reversal not below, because the momentum is there. So any reversal not below the 38.2% of 50 or 61.8. So I got the reversal. Why I got the reversal here? If I am looking here, okay, in 1 minute, in 2 minutes, okay, in 2 minutes I found something. This is the my POI block, order block. Why? Because this red candle low is low as compared to the high of as compared to the low of green candle. I found my order block. I found my entry. Testing again. My entry is here. Why? Because my stop loss is here, just below the order block. So I want to go with the exit. Where is my exit? I will reverse the Fibonacci. Okay. Did I achieve my target? How much? How many points? Sorry. Even 161.8. Okay. Leave 188.6. 1 is to 2. So if your entry is at $21.84, your exit is minimum 23.47. Where the price is going, I don't care. Okay, my first trade has completed. Now I will wait for second trade, because this is a momentum stock. It can give me more entries. So before that I marked this area and this area because I found the POI. Now what I will do? I will mark the major swing. Major swing is from there to there. Now I will look for the same thing. What I will look? Because I have already exit. So I will look for any entry here. So I found the entry before 38.2%. I found the POI here. The price didn't break. The lowest candle is green candle in 2 minutes. The price went up, tested again. Here is my entry. So I can enter here. Okay. This is my entry. This is my stop loss. You can see I always emphasize on the stop loss. Okay. And where is my target? Even for this trade, if you are going with the higher high again, just here. Okay. I'm 1 is to more than 1 is to 2, around 1 is to 2.5. So your risk is $100, your profit is $247. Okay. Every day, if you are just doing these two trades, whatever amount you will get, your account will be green after 1 month, after 1 year, after 10 years, because you are managing the trades. You are not giving any entry just when the market is running. Okay, market is running, I am not entering. I am taking my profit. Where the market might be, it went high. I don't care. Okay, it didn't go high. Even it broke the previous high, but it during the retesting it didn't fail. It failed. Make higher high. Okay, here if you see, it make higher high, then lower low. This lower low has been broken. Okay, then again exactly at the same point it rejected and market came down. So there are several things. You can just make that means the structure, the character line, structure line, and just trade with that. Okay, guys, this is the momentum stock, and I will give you the snapshots. This is my screener for the momentum stocks for the last day. If you see in the top gainers list, SWVL was not there. Why it was not there? I think it is just $0.3. That I think that's why. But I have marked point from 20 cents to $10. Okay, because if the price is $1, there will be more buyers. If the price is $100, there will be less buyers. Because $100 is not miss in the range of everyone, but $1 is in the range of everyone. So $1 stocks can move really faster. Okay, so that's why it came in my screener. It was not there in Webull, but there was news in it. On 30th of December there was a news. So it ran because I don't know why it ran, but it was there in the screener. So if you see, this was the low in pre-market, this was the high. The price doesn't need to break this area. Okay, on 1 minute, if I am looking anything, because I am looking the confluence, it is not breaking 50%, but if I am getting what I want to get, this is 5 minutes, 4 minute. I'm getting some order blocks. I'm not getting. I got one POI. I can see, if you see one thing. How I got the POI, because near candle is not giving me any POI, because this is the bear in the bearish trend, this is the red candle, and after that there is a green candle. But in the previous frame I can see the POI. If you see this structural level has been liquidated by this area, this candle. Okay, and after that you can mark the order block. If the price will break this order block, you can buy it. And this happened, the price went up, came down again, retest this area, exactly from the liquidated line the price shoots up. This is another way to trade. Means if you will not find anything here, you can go with the previous structure. Where is the previous structure? Okay, here is the previous structure. So you can mark this area. Understand? Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and this was the high, this was the low. So what you needed to do, if the price is going away, you can mark and just go with the trades. You this time you achieve 150%. And from exactly, if you, I'm just giving you a means, if you go with this long position complete, I will never do, but I'm just giving the example. If you are getting that 150%, your risk to reward is 1 is to 5.5 almost. So just manage your trades. What happened here? See, the same thing. This was the high. The price trying to came down. It didn't break. It didn't break. Okay. And this was my low. This candle, this dodgy candle, it liquidated here. How beautifully you can see. This candle liquidation has been complete, has been sweep out by this area. This area. And if you are trading here, just go with the previous high, because market has already run. Okay, just go level to level. Don't push yourself into the trade. Just wait for the trade. Just do the practice. Look at the chart. Okay, look at the chart, because like the Dumb people have their own language, so the chart also communicates with you. Okay, try to listen what they want to say. The chart is saying to you, the chart is calling you. Okay, try to learn their language, and that can be only achievable through the practice. Open any chart. Okay, don't go with Amazon, Tesla, ES. Just practice on any chart. Just go with the momentum stocks. Just go with whatever the pre-market gainers. Okay, guys, are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
So still today we almost 15 minutes back. We almost 4 hours. So sorry again. Uh, it was again a long session. But miss, I want to deliver what I know, miss. But practice, please. Nobody is forcing you to trade. Just wake up a little bit early and sit in the system. See where are my levels. Mark the levels, mark the blocks, mark the POIs, and wait. Wait,
Shop,
the
I have
bus
a
will
question.
come towards you. Okay.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, no, I have finished.
Okay. The question is, what I have noticed, in the first half an hour to 1 hour, the stocks either they have good news or if they want to run, they do their maximum run in that time frame, right? And you had mentioned that the pre-market low and high. So what if stock say the pre-market high was let's say 8.5, the stock opened at 8.6, which is already higher than the pre-market high. Um, can we take a chance, because at the time you would not be able to see any charts, anything, you can just enter and put the stop loss, just
No,
no?
I would not prefer, because
Okay.
I want my retesting zone. Okay, like this chart. Okay, SPRB. I know that what you wanted to say, because this was my pre-market high. Okay, the market opens, and I don't know, might be this candle is green. Okay, might be initially this candle is green, but after 1 minute the closing is obviously lower than this higher, so the candle color is red. Okay, this 930 candle, because 930 means it is 930 to 931. You can see the time here in the bottom. This is 930 candle. Basically this is not 930 candle, this is the closing of 931. Okay, so you see green, you entered. Okay, and at that moment your entry, the market will not give you any chance to put the stop loss.
True.
Okay, and you are thinking, okay, you put $1,000. You are thinking, oh, market will is going up, the price is going green, but at the sudden moment price came down within that minute and the price closed. If you put the stop loss here, okay, this was your previous close. If you put the stop loss here, what happened with your stop loss?
Yeah.
Hit. Even the previous structure, this was the previous structure, hit within 1 minute. You didn't get a chance to get out yourself with the trade. Might be you lost $200, might be $100. Why you are losing $10? If you have the chance to earn $100 in the same trade, why you are losing $10?
True.
So don't go.
Yeah.
Just wait for the retest.
Because it is tempting sometimes. For example, the stock opens at 2.11, right? The lower of the day is 2.10, and then it keeps turning. In half an hour, it's over 3.5. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Obviously, because you know that sometimes 9:45 candle, 10 o'clock candles give you chance, because sometimes some people, because everything what is liquidating area, everything, your support, your resistance, your order block, your moving average, even your session breakout. And sometimes people trade, the option traders trade with the 10 o'clock candle, because 10 o'clock candle gives you something. 8:50, 8:30 candles give you some more things. Okay, where is the 10 o'clock candle? If I see here, See, this is 10 or 1001 candle, 1002 candle. Okay. After that, what happened? There is a reversal. But the reversal is not more than 65, 61.8%. If you see the reversal, the price didn't break 61.8%. What happened? Came down to retest again the same zone. Okay. Just watch for the levels. Okay, why the price went up? Why I didn't take the trade here? Okay, see, why should I not take the trade here? Okay, why should I not take the trade here? This was my level. The price came down, and we were discussing initially 78 because we were looking the ES chart. Okay, this was the low, and this was the push. The last candle before the bullish trend is your order block. The last candle before the bullish trend is my order block. This is my order block. Where is my order block? At 78.6%. The price came down. Now the price is going up. So I want to see my order block like this because I intentionally mark the Fibonacci there. But the market has opened. What is my new levels? This is my high. This is my low. From low to high, I mark the Fibonacci level. Now I am waiting the price to come in this order block. The price came down because these are the momentum stocks. You don't need to see the chalk and POC or boss or anything. I entered into the trade. Suppose I entered into the trade as per order block or as per my Fibonacci level. Okay, what is my target? Because this is momentum and it is the initial after the initial bell. I can go with the swing. The swing give me 161%. If you are keeping the trade, but I will not keep the trade. If I enter here, might be I will get out around previous high, might be I will get out from 111.4%. We have already discussed last time 11.4%. So these are the levels. Just manage your trade.
And for the time frames, Shafiq, for the day trading, like is it 1 minute recommended, or would you suggest a different time frame?
I always enter at 1 minute. I don't
One
want to
minute.
see. I don't want to see Miss 3 hours movie. I am not a fond of test match. I just want to go with the T20.
Okay.
It depends upon your side. Means whatever you think better, go with that one.
Mhm. And
Right?
any suggestions? So when the market opens, like the first 5 minutes, sometimes like you see an opportunity, and even you put a market order, your order does not get filled because of the volatility or there's
Yes.
too much volume.
Yes.
Is there any strategy that you can ensure your order gets filled?
Yes. Just wait. Okay. We take some other stock in which we can see the higher high. Or we can go with Tesla. Okay. Okay. So this is 5 minute chart. Okay. So the price has already dropped in the pre-market. Okay, the ATR of I think Tesla is around $10. So the price dropped from 111 to 101. Almost $10 has already dropped. So what is the possibility if the price will not break the structure means our chalk and other things or order blocks, then the price will move to another drop of around at least $7 to $8. But what happened? Suppose if I am doing what was my pre-market low? This was my pre-market low. Okay. So what I am looking? I am looking for same 88.6 or 78.6 reversal. If the market went up, what I will do? I will wait for the reversal around this area. 61.8 because the market is dropping now my maximum level is 88.6. So I found something what I found the, is there anything I found?
That green candle.
Hmm.
There was a green candle with a longer wick.
Sorry.
But that's okay. You changed the time frame, so that's okay.
Yeah, no, I found this, but this is a really big order block. If you see, this green candle is closing below as compared to this red candle. You see, but this is really big order block. Even this order block is working. If you see, because this was the low, the price went up. Again, I see some drop here because this was my POI. Okay. Now the candle is coming because this is for sell. Okay, not for buy. So your order block for sell is only this. You can mark this block above. This is your order block for sell. The price didn't break the price, just sweep out this liquidity. If you see, this was low, sweep out this liquidity. What you can do, you for the buy, you can mark the order block. This is your order block for the buy, because this liquidity has been swept out here and it is resting over 78.6%. Okay, so what is your next target? Just change here and go with 161.8% because it is Tesla, it can give you easily. Okay, 161% achieved. Around 161% the market drop. How much it dropped? Check. It should not drop 38.2 or 50% because momentum is there. Okay, price didn't drop below 38.2. It is retesting again. How many wicks you see? Okay, you can go with the higher high. I changed my Fibonacci. Again, the price is not dropping 38.2%. Okay, where is my previous liquidity? This is high and then this is low. So this candle has the liquidity. It swept out. Where is my order block? I marked the order block here, this red candle. Okay, this is my last bearish candle. So I just marked. If I'm getting something here, I can go inside the trade here. Here I will make the position and I will put the stop loss here. And my target will be, again, if I am really confined trader, then what I will do, I will get out here. If I have the big guts, then what I will do, I will go with the reversal. Now the market has already run a little bit. I can get out 138.2. Okay, where the price has reached 188.6%. Okay, if you are doing too good and going with the highest level, how many, I don't know how much amount in options or how many stocks you can buy. So just manage your trade. Good.
Yes.
Any questions? Any questions?
Excellent, Shoaib bhai. Full knowledgeable.
Thank you, Wes.
Yes, it was great, Shabai.
Yeah,
Very nice.
yeah,
Thank you
thank you,
very
Wes.
much.
Just
Thank you,
let
Shoaib
guys,
bhai. Thank you
yeah,
very
yeah.
much.